Good morning, chat! Hello, everybody! Welcome in! Everybody getting their fish in! I love it. Peeps show up, and they get their fish on immediately. I love to see it. Y'all are in for it! Welcome in. Hi! Hi, Gizmo! Hi, Savvy! Hi, Sibo! Welcome in. Who got first today? Sibo got first today, right? Hell yeah! Morning? Yes, it's the morning.
This is the best part, right?
Hi, Shanola! Oh my gosh. I don't even know if there's a mod in chat yet. Anyway, I'm gonna shout out Shanola. Hi, Stirring! Hi, everybody. Hi, Finrear. Welcome in. Okay, jeez. Welcome in, everybody. Happy Sunday. Yes, I say good morning at the beginning of my streams because then when I end stream, I say good night. In the shark-sided cinematic universe, at the beginning of stream is morning. So technically the world is revolving on 200 times speed because within 2 hours it becomes nighttime. Good evening, everybody. Oh my gosh. Happy Sunday. I'm so excited, dude. Stirring. Hi, Stirring. Welcome in. Hi, everybody. Hello. Hi, Fallen. Oh my gosh. Hi, Noi. Sharky Papa, welcome in. Hello, I'm alive, it's real. Hi, good morning, USA. I'm just kidding. Well, actually, I could say good morning to the USA. I think a good majority of my audience is from the USA. Slay! Hello, everybody. How are we doing today? Welcome in, everybody. It's so good to see you. It's so good to— oh! My face! My poor face! Oh my gosh, thank you. In the Shark Center world, we're subjected to much darkness. It's only a day when she streams. Yeah. It's like living in a what is it? In like a hardware store, and then when the hardware store closes, it's just pitch darkness. Oh no, it's just like Toy Story. So like when the toy store closes, it's everyone's in darkness until it opens again in the day. Don't remind me about the country of origin. I'm sorry. You got locked out of your account for like a month. Oh shit.
Huh?
Well, I'm glad you're back. Welcome back, friend. Also, hi, Paya. Ow! You guys are so nice to me. It's crazy. Good evening, everybody. How we doing today? How is everybody? Y'all having a good weekend? I'm so excited. Today is going to be fun. We're playing a brand new liminal horror game. I'm so excited. I've seen Joel play the fuck out of this game, and I'm like, dude, I have to stream this. So here we are. This will probably be a multi-part series as well. So cooking dinner. What are you cooking? Are you gonna share? Are you gonna share? I'm doing awesome. Let's go. Hi Spencer, welcome in. How we feeling, chat? Y'all get your fish. Y'all get your snacks. This game is my my favorite. I'm so excited. Yeah, I've seen like good fucking things from it. It looks fun. It looks fun as hell. I've also made sure to precautionary turn on any of the phobia warnings. So I turned off spiders and I turned off tryphobia. At least for, I think it just blocks the imagery for those. So no worries there. No worries there. I think we're all good. This is a good game. I'm so excited. I'm surprised I haven't heard about it yet. So come get your bowl. I got you. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Meanwhile, pie is cooking, brah. Damn! How is everyone? Did we all have a lovely weekend? It was like a kind of crazy. Excuse me. I hate spiders, they can go away. I like spiders. I get why people can be scared of them. I just want to make sure everybody's comfy here. That's all. Thank you for thinking about my fear of triangles. Tryphobia isn't triangles. It's holes. Do people with tryphobia hate the movie Holes? I just realized. I need to watch that movie again, actually. I fucking love the Holes movie, dude. Oh, I love that movie. I love that movie so much. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get seated here. Let me get my bisexual seating here with my leg, one of my legs out and one in. Holes in the shower or triangles. I didn't know that. I'm kind of like low-key covered in triangles. So maybe that's a little unavoidable. As I look at my teeth. Herman, let's go. Say, oh my god, movie night, Holes? Maybe. I think I've talked about the Holes movie before. To view it. We have so many movies we have to watch. We have so many movies, but you know what? We'll get there. We'll get there. All right, let me just catch up here. Bram, your weekend was voided. Of the void. Well, I hope you had a good weekend. And same with Stirring. What? Okay. Black mold is the current problem of everything. Slime Man's chat. Oh, I see. I was sitting in a Moist stream for a while watching him play Space Marine 2 and he got to play it earlier. Oh, nice! Doesn't that come out like this? Oh! Woo! Doesn't that come out like this week? The Space Marine stuff? Hi, Iron. Hi, Iron and A-Chan, actually. Hi, besties! What's up? What's up? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see. Spiders make sense. Tryphobia on the other hand.
If only the woodpecker cries, the bark on the trees were as soft as the skies, as the wolf waits below hungry and lonely, he cries to the moon, if only.
Bars, actually. Well, the thing with tryphobia is a little different. It can be related to to the body or not. That's the difference. Bitches get tryphobia when other holes. I'm kidding. We should totally watch a movie on stream right now. That's actually illegal on Twitch. You could get banned for that. That's why you might see someone watching some obscure TV shows on their stream, but not normally movies. I know, actually, the only person who I know actually got away with watching the entire movie on her stream is Morbid Lullaby. Morbid Lullaby pulled up. Hey! Carden! Raiders! Hi! What's up, everybody? Thank you for the stretch. Hi, everybody. What's up? Hi, gamers. Straight pride. Straight jacket pride. Oh. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. I'm sure you don't need an introduction. I don't know why my cats are still jamming though, but in the meantime, enjoy this.
Let me tell you.
Hello? Oh my god. I'm gonna kill OBS in Minecraft. Good morning, Raiders! What's up? Hey, guys, go follow Karnan. Karnan's just starting her little streaming journey. Would greatly appreciate it if you went and gave Karnan a big follow. She's doing a bunch of cool stuff over there. Go give her a follow! Welcome in, everybody! We were just talking about the game. We're talking about phobias, low-key, low-key. We're talking about phobias, low-key. How was your stream? How was the rest of your stream? I was in there a little bit. You were playing Celeste, and then what did you end up doing? Welcome in, you guys. Welcome in. Oh!
Yeah, dinosaur.
Robin. Bestie. Bestie. Hi, welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah! Go follow Karnan! Dude, please. Get the fuck over there. I don't even mean to be getting big. What happened here? I missed some chat though. But hi! Welcome in. If you don't already know me, I'm Sharksided or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber, and today is Spooky Sunday, baby. And we're playing a brand new game, Home Safety Hotline. A few people in chat know it, and I'm very excited. It's a new horror, like, liminal anomaly game. I'm very excited to start. And we're doing bingo tonight, so if you want to stick around, even if you gotta lurk, bingo will be happening in the last hour of stream. I'm very excited! Alright. How y'all doing? It was fun. We started with Celeste, then we switched to doing some art. I was redesigning a character of mine. I do enjoy the raid message, the straight jacket pride. Hi, nickname! Welcome in! Alright, let me quickly check what I missed before the raid here. Straight jackets. We got Iron. HN says hi. Hi, HN. Welcome in, everybody. Feel goods today. Good feelings today. We were locked in this. Oh, there it is. There it is. I was like, huh? No one's made me bald yet today. No one's made me bald yet. Here we are. Robin, I'm gonna go lurk. Have yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. I will be pinging the Discord again later. For anybody who wants to be in bingo. Oh, by the way, speaking of the Discord, if you're not already in there, I'm going to pin that actually. The Discord's a really good place to know what we're up to.
This is by far. This is the best part right here.
So, I will do a ping later when bingo starts.
This is my favorite part.
I'm going to take a small nap.
This is the best part.
Yeah! Oh my god, yes, bacon.
This is the best part.
Go take a nap. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Even if you gotta go, I get it. No! I can't have shit here. I can't have shit in my own stream. I can't see shit. But yeah, we were talking about phobia. Oh! We were talking about phobias because the game has some phobia warnings that I did turn off, by the way. So we should be okay for a few of them. I don't think anyone in chat is afraid of dogs. Because there was a like a phobia warning for dogs, and I'm like, I don't think anyone in chat's afraid of dogs. I literally, one of my moderators is literally a dog. So no hair, no eyes, no bitches either. Good thing I'm not scared of dogs anymore. Well, I don't think the game even jump scares you. I know there's like a cute picture of a dog. I think it's just dogs in general. But I get the phobia, but I'm like, I don't think, oh, my weave is back. My weave is back. I don't think anyone in chat has like a phobia. Like if you see a picture of them. No hair, no eyes, no, oh. Never mind, I can't say shit no more. I can't say shit no more. Oh! So. Now there's an unsettling, is there? Interesting. I did watch a full playthrough of this game from one of my favorite streamers. So as long as things are stream safe, then I think we're good. Like one, okay, is it like a demon dog or something? I'm sure we've seen worse. I'm gonna be real. I look at like this home service on Switch. Honestly, I prefer to take subscription to make public safety service. Oh, on Steam, yeah. Dogs can be scary. Kill! Just standing there, menacingly. What do you mean? Who's standing there? Me? Hi, everybody. Motherfuckers be like, I have a full-size model, but you only ever see half of it. I've seen people stream like this, obviously not on the chatting scene, but like on their full screen, and I'm like, that looks uncomfortable. Okay. Oh, here you go. There's your tail wiggle. You brought me back. You fucking brought me back, dude. Wow. Damn. Oh, man. But yeah, welcome in while you're up there. But yeah, I can't say, I think the only phobia I have, like we've talked about fears and whatnot here on chat. On the Shark Standing stream. And I think I've told you guys that I have a big fear of tornadoes. And
Baby man, little baby man, little baby man, little baby
man. And I also have a fear of, I have like paranoia. I get paranoia of the unknown, or like the fear of being watched, low-key. It's less so the fear of being watched. It's more so if I turn the corner and I see someone staring at me, I'm gone. I'm dead. So it's shit like that that scares me personally. I also have a great fear of Toast yeeting me into the void. Oh! Hi, Toast. Can we get a shout out for Toast? If there's any mods in chat. Anytime mods, no worries. Hi, Toast. How are you? Sorry, but I have fear of the ocean. And what's in the ocean? That's true. That's true. Yeah, like the ocean is so full of the unknown too. That's like, it's like the ocean versus like space. Crazy shit. Yeah, I get that too. It's kind of like mirrors occasionally darkness. Yeah. If I stare at like a small space in the darkness for too long, my mind starts to go fucking crazy and it will just picture shit. And then I will be paranoid for like the rest of the night. It's shit like that. It's shit like that. My brain is mean. It's mean. Really scary game. We've all, that's FNAF fan games. Oh, I should play more of those, to be honest. Hi, Paige! Welcome in! How are you? How are you? I'm doing good. Hope you're doing well. I am doing good, Toast. I'm excited to be here today. I'm excited to play the game. I'm excited to play the game. Hi, Banana! Hi, Oliver! Welcome in, you guys. What's up? If I'm scared of the ocean, what if Sid gets me? Me when I get you? This is what you're afraid of. You pull up to the ocean? Strap! Me when I get you. My house is home. Oh! Okay, or you can get me. That works too. A couple new things to stream. I added a few more snack variations to the snack redeem. I added a new Germa video. What else did we do? I think there is a lot of new bit redeems, so if anyone would like to do funny bit stuff. What else? I think that's it. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Just some new snacks. The pew pew. That's horrifying. Oliver, what's up, gamer? How are you? How you doing? Good to see you. Same with you, Banana. Same with you, Peach. How is everybody? I have a fear of empty bathrooms, shower curtains too. I don't like thinking something's behind. That is so true. Oh my god. Toast. When I used to go camping with my family like all the time, there would be like the camping bathhouse. So we would go and that's where you'd go and shower. You'd just pay like $1 for like water. I swear to you, every single stall had like a curtain part. And oh, it scared me. Hello, Nebula! Welcome in, Raiders. Hi guys, what's up? Nebula, what's up, Raiders? Hi guys. Welcome in. Yo, go follow Nebula. Gamers, Raiders, welcome in, it's good to see you! My name is Sharksided, or Sid. I'm a variety VTuber streamer, and today is horror game night. But you also know what that means. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this!
Let me tell you.
welcome in. How is everybody doing today? Nebula! Nebula! How was your stream, gamer? How was your stream? What were you doing some more Zelda? Were you doing some more Zelda? Welcome in, everybody. Hi. Guys, go follow Nebula. Nebula's model is so freaking pretty. And he recently just debuted a new outfit. Please go give Nebula some love. Hell yeah, it was. Let's go. Well, welcome in, everybody. How y'all doing? Very late, so I could tell. I feel like you never raid me, so I'm like low-key kind of shocked. I was like, damn. My cat is joining the stream. Good morning. Good morning, Gizmo's cat. Oh, welcome in, you guys. Welcome in. We were just talking about phobias and fears. You know, great conversation starter. Honestly, it kind of is. Like, low-key kind of is. And Toast was telling me that they have a fear of, like, shower, like, giant bathrooms. Empty bathrooms with, like, curtains and shit. No, I felt the same way, dude. I felt the same way. Personally, I'm scared of drowning, but my most irrational fear is having ants burrow in. Oh! Yeah, that's... that's, yeah. No, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one, Peanut Butter. You've never been able to do swimming lessons. Interesting. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Did fear of drowning, did that happen at like a young age? Because I know when stuff happens to people very young, it just stays with you for the rest of your life. Pretty much. I can tell a story about one of my neighbors, actually. It's kind of crazy. Let me just catch up on chat here. But Nebula, hey, Raiders, welcome in once again. If you guys got to go lurk or go do your after stream care, like you said, you did stream pretty late. So if you got to go to bed, go to bed. I totally get it. But if you're just chilling, we'll welcome in. Also, Oliver, I'm glad you're doing good. And I hope your Advil helps you. I hope your Advil helps you. Yeah, scared of needles, I cry when I see one. That's fair. Needles can be spooky ooky. I'm scared of half by thunderstorms because I've almost been hit. You've almost been hit by lightning 5 times. What? Peach, I think you're just. Peach is just walking around here with like a giant unlucky. The worst luck ever. That's insane. 5 times. No, that would grant you some fear. Absolutely. Oh my god. Oh. Suffocating us. Oh, okay, I get you. I had dreams where I'm in a giant bathroom maze and it's all tiled and dude, the naked dreams are always the Static! Hi, sir! What's up? Dude, the naked dreams are always so scary because like when I have like dreams where like you're walking around in your underwear, it feels like nobody, for me personally, it feels like nobody's like looking at me at all, but at the same time I feel like horrible. It's so weird. Static, what's up, gamer? We're talking about fears. Zeus has beef with you, clearly. Hi, Static! How you doing, man? It's definitely helping me. The pain was so bad earlier, but luckily I'm better. That's good! That's good. I'm glad. Yeah, rest up, B. Rest up, gamer. Hi, Ika! Hi! What's up, gamer? Just started 2 different occasions. Oh my goodness. I'd have like dreamed way more if I wasn't topless. Yeah, for sure. Yo, go follow Static and Ika, please. These are 2 lovely gamers. Welcome in, you guys. The pool rooms. That's kind of the vibe I got. Yeah. I hate the ones where I'm driving my car in the backseat. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. I don't know if anyone here gets those dreams where you like have past job trauma. I had a dream that I went back and just started working at Home Depot again. It was fucking insane. I was like, why am I here? Listen, I loved my job at Home Depot. I was the paint girly, but holy fuck, did management fucking suck. So I was just like, the dream was just me like doing orientation again for Home Depot, and I'm like, huh? Why am I here? Yeah, we're talking about fears and phobias because in the game that we're playing tonight, there's some phobia triggers that I had to turn off. So just so everybody's comfy. I've only ever had one negative dream, and it was when I was little. Went to school with only a towel! It's like the anxiety, you know? To explain the sleep paralysis thing, I used to sleep on my stomach and got sleep face down. Oh! Safe to say the fear so. Oh, yes. No, that's so real. That's so legit. Totally. Stay away from a wall. Stay away from a wall of light, I hope. You know, where they have several variations of light. Oh, I haven't seen that. No, I can't say I've experienced wall of light. I have at least 3 dreams a month regarding my teeth. Oh, isn't
Chuck, one thing I've never explained that fits Spooky Sunday is the Teresa part of my house where someone did die.
Oh.
Peacefully, not violently, so they just vibe.
Oh.
But every time I'm there I can literally feel someone watching me / someone else is in the room.
They're just chilling. See, I do gratefully believe like the afterlife and like spirits and stuff like that. And it's very funny because there is vibes between different ones depending if, you know, they're a daemon or, you know, they've died a specific way, or like Oliver said, they're just chilling. They have got roommate! And I've seen TikToks of people where they have a roommate ghost and they're just chilling. It's literally just vibes. Yeah. Free roommate. I have thalassophobia underwater creatures, and I think some are really cool, but static, no, that's fair. That's fair. Open water where you can't see shit. It's very valid fear. Also, Peach, I was gonna say, I think dreams revolving your teeth falling out are like a sign of something. You might want to check that out. Because I know if it's very specific dreams like that, it means something to do with the world, I think. Yeah. I'm also scared of airplanes. I'm just playing the pilots. What? Oh, when the pilot was like, we're going down, as in like we're landing. Oh, why would he say it like that? What the fuck?
Huh?
This is your captain speaking. We're going down! That would be so bad. Someone gotta teach that man some rephrasing. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Yeah. Damn! Like, I just want ice cream and I feel like someone's watching me. Leave me alone, it's 9 p.m. They're judging you, Oliver. They're like, damn, look at this motherfucker taking out the midnight snack. Let me finish my refreshing beverage. Hold on. Oh, okay. All right, that's done. I had lemon water. Yummy! Oh! Hi, Haley. Hi. What's up, gamer? What's up? Welcome in. All right, let me catch up on chat here. Woo! Thought as well we're talking fears. Yep, totally. Totally, bro. I will never sleep easy knowing I'm sleeping in a room where someone died. That's a thing, too, and a lot of people are sensitive to stuff like that. I know I'm one of those people where I can kind of, like, sense feelings and whatnot. Or, like, not so much spirits, but, like, it's a vibe thing. It's a vibe thing. Totally. The only thing notable about my dreams is how often I dream about being a woman. That must mean nothing. Absolutely nothing, Nart. No. Meatball! Yeah, Oliver be like, actually, it was my first flight. We're gonna crash! It's crazy. I don't know, I feel like, at least back in the day, I feel like adults didn't realize what kind of things could leave such a effect on a person back in the day, even if it's just like saying things. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you guys about my neighbor's like biggest fear. It's very weird. I'll tell that in just a sec here if I don't forget. Phobia of giant man-made structures. Like, I was on a cruise once and I was like, it was like right next to the smokestack and I envisioned myself at the very top. Oh, that's scary. You get like that feeling in your gut. No, totally, totally. Reminds me of the one picture where the pilot is reading a kid's book on how to fly. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Mine goes to heights and bugs. When I come to them, it's okay. Totally, totally. I've never been stung by a bug or like a bee or anything. Not yet, anyway. Yeah. Oh my god, Peach, you got ranch? Congrats, bestie. As you stated before, the job dreams are terrifying. I had many where I woke up back at my warehouse job. No, that's what I was just saying. I was just saying that. I literally just had a dream where I was back working at the fucking Home Depot. I'm back in the fucking building. Yeah. Always gotta drop an anchor. That's true. It's true. It's like an entrance. No, totally. The only dream I can really remember is when I used to have every Halloween night when I was younger, and it was me versus the Plants vs. Zombies. You dreamt you were in Plants vs. Zombies. Oh my god, that's crazy. I actually love that. That's really funny, but I'm sure it can be scary in a way. Okay, but spiders, when they're threatening, is scary. There's literally a time I spotted a spider the size of a vitamin bottle. Yeah, when they want to fight. Oh, wait, look at that guy. Seal. When spiders want to fight, dude, they're terrifying. They're scary. Semi-related, but the first time I got blood drawn, the nurse had similar shit bedside matter. She slapped my arm around like a. I guess someone to find the vein. Oh my god. what is it with people in healthcare that like don't know how to fucking work in healthcare? I'm just saying. I'm terrified by people so like, silly in public. That's true. I had a dream where I was at a parking lot and I ran into some therapist. I'm reading all of your stuff here. Y'all got so many stories. I love it. My mom once fell in a beehive. She fell in a beehive? Oh fuck. When she's younger, she gave me it gave her a bee allergy. Oh my god, I would bet zombies are coming. Hi Atticus, what's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm sure you can see what's happening in chat right now. Glacial! Hi, sir! Wait, Joel is here! Joel!
I'm here
Guys, we're talking about fears. My fear. Joel! Hey, can we get a big shout out for Joel? I'm sure you guys know Joel already. I fucking raid Joel sometimes. It's my favorite thing to do because I have to warn my chat about Joel's streams every time. It's like a pre-warning. Joel, how are you? It's so good to see you. What's up, gamer? What's up? Also, Glacial, thank you for the 41 months. Holy shit. Holy shit! Guys! Oh wait, I need to get my facts right. Oh, Joel's having a really big stream soon. I need to see when that is. Shit! How y'all doing? My fear is Joel. Some days I go into Joel's streams just to feel something, just to like take my ease off of the fucking world. We're talking about dreams and fears right now, actually. I'm yapping way too. Actually, no! I haven't even hit the 40-minute mark. We're fine. We're fine. What, you like the no weighing emote? I only have like 5 Frank emotes, but they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Hold on! Wait. Oh! Okay, wait. I need to fact check something real quick. Baby sensory! That's not an emote. Or is it? I had a dream last night, fully somatic. Wait! I got your Snapchat, Glacial! I was gonna ask you what it was, because I had one like that the other day. I swear to God. Last night, I mean this afternoon. Okay, wait, guys! Because Joel's in chat. I need to talk about my pals. Joel's doing a crazy fucking stream. What day is it? I'm fact checking. Hold on. Thursday! Oh shit, I stream on... No! I don't stream on Thursday. This is so sad. Anyway, on Thursday, you guys, Joel's doing a 24-hour stream. So I'm just saying you should be there. I can't spell. No. Get that fucking out of here. Get that. No! It's Sunday today. Yeah, I know it's Sunday, Glacial.
Smoky Grant.
I'm sweating.
Little baby man.
Thank you, chat.
Little
Thank
baby,
you.
baby man.
You can humble me all you want.
Baby man.
What? What are you guys on about? I'm sorry. I feel like I missed so many messages at this point. We're a little derailed. But let me quickly tell you the story about my neighbor and her fear of dead animals. Specifically, taxidermy. One day, when she was a young and little girl, ow! Her brother snuck a dead deer taxidermy in her bed. Ow! And now she can't go into buildings with taxidermy at all. Because it scared her that much. I feel like that would scare any regular human being regardless. So... What? What do you mean? Hey!
I can't really bite it.
Fucking dumbass!
Thank you for the gifted. How y'all doing, by the way? Yay! That's a natural reaction. Static! Oh my god, thank you for the gifted, sir. Thank you for the gifted.
Fucking dumbass!
Sup, girl? Nice, guys. Ah! Oh. Glacial!
Drop it.
They were the 5! What the fuck? Oh! They were the gifteds! You're crazy. I appreciate you. God fucking damn. Oh my god. So tonight we're playing Homeland Security. And then we're playing fucking bingo. So that's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. But welcome in everybody. I'm a little behind on chat now. I'm acting like Liberty. I'm having a Liberty moment. I'm not reading chat. That was my cat. Okay. Scary stream I ever had. Yeah, let me go back and check, because I want to still read everybody's message about their dreams. But I had to tell you guys a story about my neighbor and her taxidermy moment. Because, yeah, that's fucked up. Like, she can't go into buildings that have, like, deer mounts or anything like that. Like, she will refuse to this day. And I feel like that's pretty valid. I feel like that's really valid. Again, like... Ugh.
Dearest viewers, if you are hearing this, it's already too late.
Uh-oh.
You've entered the curse of the pee-pee poo-poo man. He will shit your pants and will do so when you are in a public meeting and wearing white pants.
Hey!
You have been cursed.
They're gonna hype trade! Oh my god. Okay, well, we have a lot of bit redeems if anyone wants to go a little silly. But, let's put on some jams. I know what we can put on. Where is it? Here we go, baby! Y'all ready?
I'm the most handsome.
No!
You've ever met.
Alright. Hey! Okay, I gotta go back up! I gotta go back up! H Greg, yo! Hi, Ducky! What's happening? Hi, Beesla! Oh! Shark! I'm going back in chat! Leave me alone! My dudes have never been meeting. Hey! Okay. Okay, I'm way too far gone. I'm too far gone, chat! I gotta read aliens, though. No! Anyway. Guys, you want your stimulus? Do you want your stimmy? Your stimulus check? Oh! Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Okay. Okay. Oh! Oh. I'm reading chat. I mean, it's 2 seconds and we're gonna be overstimulated. Yeah. Yeah, I think we've gotten there already. All right, let me read. Let me see. Let me guys. Oh. God damn it. You guys comboed it. Ow! Okay, one time I had a nightmare, and I had the same one over and over, and I was waking it up in my mom's house, and I go to the kitchen. I gotta turn this shit down. No, not the sock and boffin. Ow! Fine. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Ow! Okay, hold on. I'm reading chat. Okay. Now I go to the living room, and then there's creepiest thing ever. My mom sitting cross-legged, stabbed with a knitting needle all over. Ooh, I'm like, sorry. Alien, that sounds like a fucking scene from, what's that movie? Hereditary. Oh my god. No, yeah, that's fucking terrifying. Okay, I'm coming back down to chat. I'm coming back! My brain rot case for stimulation. Hey guys, look, we have a lot of bit redeemed. We have a lot. Put it away? No, somebody requested this. Somebody requested this, okay? Jeez. Somebody requested this. I can't put it away. That's scamming. It was repetitive, no idea why. That's crazy. That's crazy. That sucks too. I think my sister had one like that where we had like a blood monster in our basement. Crazy. Crazy. I don't, well, I unrequested. This is a gift. This is a gift. Yes. Yes. Did I hear Hereditary? Yes. I love that movie. It's one of my favorite movies. Hereditary is like top on my list, dude. It's like top on my list. How could you? Don't worry, it's only here for like 5 minutes, okay? Is the hype train still going? It's glitched on my side again. I don't even know. Oh, there we go. Slay! Slay! Thank you guys for that hype train. It is time to play game! I think it's time to play game. Oh my god, Family Feud. Exactly, exactly. Alright. Alright, was that Terraria? No, we're good. Video game! Yeah, I game here. I kind of game, I kind of ball. Speaking of ball, I don't know what that is. I think I laid an egg. Help. Hey! Don't throw things at me, that's mean. Birth! I'm not gonna lie, Toast, I thought you did exclamation birth, and I was like, I don't have that. Thank you guys for that hype train. I hope that was a lot of fun. Come back! Come back! Fine, fine. I'll go back. I'll be normal. Exclamation birth. Oh, guy, don't do that! Oh, no! Don't do that! Why would you go and do that, huh? Now, why would you go and do that? My new hype train email. That one is cute! I like that. I like that a lot. Somebody, y'all must have seen that coming. Ow! Y'all must have seen this coming. Let's be real. Let's be real here. The blessed being. Why is it stuck on me? Ew! Get off. I'm like bouncing it around. There we go. I gave birth to myself. You de-aged me. You de-aged me. Jesse, we have to go back. Okay. Okay, before I scare somebody, I'm gonna switch back to my model. Oh, whoa. And nothing. Nothing. Hi, Toast. Nothing, Omega. You didn't see anything. By the way, if I missed anyone's message about your dream, please repost it because a lot just happened. Since when was there a shark fetus model? Since April? Maybe earlier. She been around. I just don't take her out a lot, you know? You know, she kind of sits at the bottom of my purse, and I don't take her out a lot. All right, before we have an ad break, let's start the game at least. Okay. Okay, let's go on over here, shall we? Hi, Matthew. Welcome in. And Omega. Can we get a big shout out? Hey! Can we get a big shout out for Omega, please? Oh! Welcome! Welcome in. Yippee! Go follow Omega, guys. Omega's so talented and cool. Yeah, I came back at the right time. Yes, we're honestly gonna start because a fetus in the No, not like an actual fetus. It's like a lipstick you forgot about. By the way, I'm gonna do a giveaway because I feel like I've been a little bit of a shit lately with keeping that promise. So we're gonna run a giveaway for 3 minutes while I boot the game here. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you're gonna do exclamation giveaway in chat starting right now. Go do it. Go do it, bestie. Exclamation giveaway in the chat for a sticker bundle. And just to be sure, if you want to enter, you have to be okay with giving an address to be sent said stickers. I've had people enter the giveaway before, and they're like, and they've won, and they've been like, never mind, I don't want to give you information. And I'm like, that's fine, but why did you enter? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm so excited. What if I give Germa's address? Do you know Germa's address? Bram, are you Germa? Huh? Maybe? Then explain, if you're really Germa, then explain this.
I'm not like, I want Germa, but I want to hang out with her. I want online. Not bots.
No! I'm putting that chapstick on. Speaking of chapstick. Alright. I'm very popular. Dude, everybody stretch. I just did like a deep crinkle on the wrists. Damn! Alright. Thank you guys for that hype train, by the way. That means a lot. Let's just do a quick, Oh, this one! I don't mind the silly shark throwing that I've lived on redacted if that means free stickers! Exactly! Listen. It's no big deal as long as you don't No, I don't. I keep it. Fun fact. So the way I collect information is through a Google Doc. It's through a Google document. I collect it, I write it on a letter, and then I delete it, and I don't remember it because I have a shit memory. So why would I remember that kind of thing? Oh! Me too. Alright, you have 1 minute left in the giveaway. Yummy. Whoa! That's a boat. Yes. You guys, I have been cooking for Halloween today. Oh! I'm so excited. I'm excited to play this game, dude. By the way, I do want to do a Holes movie night soon. I don't know when, though. I have to find a date I'm free. I have to, like, take a day off. I'm tired of working. I'm sick of this shit. Oh, Toast. Thank you for the alert, gamer. Can we get a quick shout out for Toast before they run away? Please and thank you. All right, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Who's going away? Guys, go follow Toast. Toast is extremely talented. Ah, no fucking Toast! Toast won the giveaway. Let's fucking go! All right, let me write Toast. Toast, are you still in chat or did you leave already? Not rigged, I swear to God. I can show you the results. That is hilarious. All right, Toast. If you're gone already, I will DM Toast. Oh, there's Toast. Toast, you won the giveaway. Let's go. Let's fucking go. All right, I'll DM you later, gamer. Congratulations. You won the giveaway. Oh! Yo, Arcade Tester, welcome in, as well as Kita. Hi, guys. We just wrapped up a giveaway. Now I'm gonna start gaming. Oh, that's too funny. All right, let me get, let's put this away. Let's put the giveaway thing away. And chat, we're going silly mode. Here we go. Hello? Oh, there we go.
Precious when you smile.
Okay, do I give you my IP now? No, later. Later. I'll give it to you later. How y'all doing? Welcome in. Well, gaming. You will try to game. Yeah. All right. Here we go. All right. Well, welcome in, you guys. We're just getting started. We're literally just getting started. An ad might show up soon. Pretty soon, but that's okay. Hi, Morax. Got the dog emote. Let's fucking go. I love that guy. Also, yeah, ad break will be in like maybe 7 minutes. So, yippee! All right, we're booting it. Okay, yeah, lurk for real. Lurk for real. Morax, welcome in. Let's go. All right, we're here, baby. I didn't win the giveaways. No! No! I'm ready for ad war. Don't worry. I will be going on a legit break once it comes around. Alright, let's get started! Let's get started! Let's go to work, chat. It's time to work, bitch. Oh, you guys want to see my new PNG, by the way? So, really quickly. Oh, hello! Yo, Banjo Bear. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I don't have to miss stream today. Yeah! Also, I start earlier than I normally do on the weekdays. Anyone who mentions ads will be banned. We have a new PNG that you guys can request for the Scrunglification. May I introduce to you, done by the Tuna Newt in chat, Sunny Scrunglification, or Ratatouille style Sunny. So you guys can request this now. That is a Sunny. So you can request this now if you want to scrunkle me. So this is on the docket now. Just so you guys know. It's really cute. Okay, let's get started. I don't even know what to start with. Actually, wait, let's check my mailbox. All right. Oh, welcome. HSH Corporate. How many models does that make? You at 100 yet? Shut up. No. Welcome to the Home Safety Hotline family. We're pleased to have you aboard as our new Home Safety Hotline responder. Your supervisor's name is Carol. That's a pretty on par name. She will be calling you today to brief you on your duties and will be reviewing your work daily to ensure maximum accuracy. As a reminder, responders with a 90% accuracy rate or more will qualify to receive our daily employee coupons. Oh, slay. Work hard and be renewed with incredible savings. Thanks, Carol. All right. Video on desktop. Attention, call team. Due to an error with our archival network, some of you may may notice video files in our video archive appearing on your desktop. Please disregard these. They will be cleared up in due time. Oh, secret videos. Okay. So I'm guessing we have a TV commercial here. We're static. We have a TV commercial here. Extra evil? I have over double needed for the amount of pimp. Oh my god. you could be evil. Thousands of families suffer injuries or even death from common household hazards. Hi, cat! Hazards such as house fires, flooding. Oh my god, 8chan moment. Black mold. I hate it when that happens. Metamorphosis. Oh! Don't become a statistic. Call the Home Safety Homeline and keep your family safe. That's me. That's us. That's us. By the way, I'm gonna treat this game low-key like... I know you said 8chan moment. Me when I'm a rock. By the way, I'm gonna treat this game like I do observation duty. I think this is a game that has to do with like spotting like details and stuff. So I'm gonna treat it like observation duty right now, and then maybe if it gets a little too much, then I'll turn on like a no backseating rule. But in the meantime, crack my fingers. Let's get to work, baby. If you see cockroach mensch, please call the HS. Monday. God, I always need to get rid of the metamorphosis in my house because I'm the tallest of my family. Aw, shit. Welcome, employee. To begin shift, press the clock below. Clock in. Clocking in. Clocking in, besties. We're clocking into work. All right. So here's some of our entries. I guess we'll go through them. Bed bugs. Ew. Bug warning. Oh yeah, I should say bug warning for some. Bed bugs are small insects known for... Shit! That was fast. Hello? Hi! It's Carol.
Home Safety Hotline, new employee.
Hi.
My name is Carol, and I'll be
Carol.
acting as your supervisor during your time here at HSH. Before you begin your first day here, let me tell you a bit about how things work here.
Okay.
You are an HSH responder. As such, it is your job to learn about various household hazards so you can answer the questions of our callers intelligently. When a client calls, answer the call and listen carefully to their concerns.
Bug.
When you've diagnosed their issue, submit the corresponding household hazard, and we'll forward them safety instructions to address their problem. Welcome to the HSH family. I'm sure we'll talk again soon.
Thanks, Carol. Thank you. Thanks, ma'am. All right. Anyway, where were we? Bed bugs. Yeah, we all know what bed bugs are. Bedbugs are not known to transmit any danger. Fuck. Okay. I'm trying to read! Damn! Hey, buddy.
John here.
John here.
My wife insisted
Hey,
I
guys.
call this number.
John here.
It sounds like she thinks we might have some kind of infestation. My wife keeps telling me about specks of dirt or something.
Bedbugs!
Just looks like coughing to me. I don't know. You tell me.
It's bedbugs! Dude, I knew it. We were just fucking reading about that shit.
There's another game by this developer about a cult that worships fog that puts weird
It's bedbugs.
things on television in
It's
the middle of the
bedbugs.
night.
It's bedbugs! No, oh. Wait. Hold on. Is it cockroach? We don't have cockroach. Oh, yeah, we do. In the kitchen. It's okay. I canceled it. It's okay. Oh. Infestation. Suspects are in the kitchen. Okay, you guys are right. Fair area food. Inhabitable kitchens. You're right. Okay. Answer. Cockroach. I was so prepared. Cockroach. Slay! Okay, anyway, where were we? Bees! I love bees. Bees. Audio sample. Bee sample. Bee stings. Solution to remove bees from a household. Also for locate their hive. Description. Hello? Big bugs in the kitchen. Hi.
Hi, I'm so sorry. My name is Grace.
Hi,
and
Grace.
It's probably nothing, but I thought I'd call just in case. Lately, I can't sleep at night because of this annoying little sound coming from my attic. It sounds kind of like, you know? It's probably nothing. I'm sure it could just be regular old house noises, but I just thought I'd call to ask and make sure.
Alright, girly pop. Actually, can I pause the game? Alright, Grace.
Please hold.
I'm gonna go on an ad break, Grace. You hold. I'll be right back, guys. We're gonna do an ad. I'm back. Ads aren't quite done yet, but what do we think it is? I think Grace has bees because I'm reading. Bees are known to build large hive structures in high places, often trees, attics, or roofs. So I think she might got bees, dude. I mean, I'm not gonna jump the gun like I did fucking bedbugs. Rodents, true. She could be squeaking like a wee 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 wee. Wee wee wee. You know what? You're so right. Rodents be like wee 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 wee. Hi, Sec. If you can hear me. We're in an ad break right now. Oh my God, Herman. Oh, I can't see the game. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not streaming yet. I'm just waiting for the ads to be fully over. Don't worry. She said, bees don't squeak. Bees can squeak a little bit. They can a little. I'm free from ad war. All right, I think we're all back. I think it's homeless people. It's homeless people like scurrying around in the basement. All right, we're back from ads. Bees and trying. Yeah, bees make little cute noises. It's kind of. I like bees. They're cute. Okay, we're back. Okay, Mrs. Grace. We're gonna. I think. Let's see what we have. Cockroach. Housefly. A gopher. Them's gophers don't go in the attic though. Mole. Mice. Here we go. Look at that little guy. Oh. Mice fested. Sounds of squeaking. I'm pretty sure Grace has mice. Ah! Yeah! No, we're playing this game. Termites, ticks. Yeah, it sounds like a mice. They're true. That is true. Let's. Yeah. Yeah, I think Grace has mice. Grace! You have mice! Nice! Real talk, I helped out a queen bee with some sugar water. Oh, yay! I helped out. Ratatouille. It was Ratatouille all along. Oh my god. We got mole. Oh! We got moles. The mouse looks so boopable. He was kind of cute. He was kind of cute. Hello? Hello, can I take your code? Oh.
Hank here.
Hey, Hank!
Last week I called your guys about some crap in my yard. I was told wasn't anything to worry about. Well, guess what? There's more piles of crap in my yard. I'm talking huge piles of brown out there. You better not tell me it's nothing again, because I know I've seen something moving out there.
I think it's a gopher.
Tell me what it is so I can take care of it once and for all.
Damn, Hank! The answer is bees. Homeless guy.
Please.
Do we have homeless guy yet? I don't think we do. No, we just have animals and bugs right now. There's piles of crap! I'm either thinking... It might be a mole. Also capable of biting humans. Description. Here we go. Their burrows tend to look like volcano-shaped mounds. They're also known to eat insects. Volcano. Please hold. Or, yeah, gopher. Can I go up, please? Hank sounds like that kind of guy that... He'll bite his deadly disease rabies. Commonly digging around. Choose to burrow in their property, commonly the gardens. I'm either thinking mole or gopher. But the gopher, the mole has more of a description of the mounds they do. Wait! What if it's a termite? Don't termites make, like, gross fucking hills? Maybe not. Termites are wood. I'm thinking about the different kinds. Probably a mole. Yeah. Please hold. Nar, you had a chocolate shake? I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Hello? No. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna go mole for now. They're kind of cute. They're kind of cute because we get moles at the around my work, and they love to burrow in the parking lot. I don't know why. They really like to use the parking lot. Only specific. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Arcanthister. That's what I was thinking. All right, have fun with your mole problem, raccoons. We love them. Oh, god damn. God damn, this is a full-time job. I clocked in and every.
Twig Sigmund here. Just calling to inform you that
Twig is Skype calling me.
Over here for the past 45 to 90 minutes. Running wild. Better head on over and catch it, big fella.
Oh my god! Anyway. Guys, my refrigerator's running. It was a prank call. Oh, look at that little silly. We got ticks. We all love. Okay, I think that had spider warning. We know what ticks are. They're disgusting creatures. Hello? Oh, hey.
Hey, do you guys have a lawn mowing service or something? My good-for-nothing kid refuses to mow and it's getting real crazy out there. Looking like a rainforest over here.
No!
Complaining about being too sick to do anything about it. Meh, 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 meh. Stress of this stupid lawn's giving me a headache just thinking about it. Can you send some guys up to get this done?
Sir, we don't... Okay, here we go. Yeah, I was just gonna say, speaking of ticks, ticks like to frolic in the long grass, and they'll make people sick. Hi, Cryptid! Welcome in! Or it could be black mold.
Please hold.
I don't have black mold yet. Oh, I do. Hee hee. Black mold is common household item. Location. Report must be smell allergic danger. Black mold community dangerous to humans. Enough can be damage to household long-term danger. Also, no allergic reaction and breathing problems. What did he say? Good for nothing kid. My kid complains about being too sick to do anything. Get rid of the grass. Send him some goats. So true. But yeah, ticks make more sense for the long grass if that kid is complaining about not doing it outside. Because if we do here, humans. Okay, here we go. They're most common the tall grass. Tall grass. Yeah, I think you got a tick. Brother, I think your kid's got a tick. I think you should maybe do some parental training classes, and you know, be a good dad. Get him a go. We are blessed. Cryptid has blessed us today. Okay, anyway. Oh, slay! Okay, guys, we're clocking out. Honk me me me. Nice. First day. Tallgrass, he got a Pokemon. He is in Pokemon. Nice. Alright, anything new here? I don't think so. Also, is the volume okay? I think it's not too bad. Be a good dad? No, he had children to outsource chores for free. Real. Real. Uh-oh. Alright, mailbox. Alright, ooh. Oh, we got some spam. Oh. Quit before it's too late. You don't know me, but I used to have your job. You are in danger. Quit today before it's too late. You don't think... You don't know enough. It's not too late to quit freely. Trust me. Anyway, I got a bug spray coupon! Slay! Very hyped for the DLC because my friends went there. Really? The Cryptid, the DLC is already out, right? Because I plan to play it after we do this game. Oh, wait, Cryptid, that's your friend? I raided him once before because of the emotes. That's how I found him. Yeah, he's an amazing artist. I've rated him, once, because I guess he was just streaming, you know, on that day, and I'm like, yo, it's that guy that does the really cool fucking cryptid art. That's awesome! Also, hi, Dark Crowd, welcome in. Welcome in, how you doing? We got a coupon for bug spray. Oh my god! We get $4 off. That's really good. Damn, bug spray help keep those bugs where they belong, outside. Just one spray keeps insects at bay. Using a state-of-the-art chemical makeup, insects are repelled by the pet-safe scent and immediately seek fresh air outdoors. You're gonna choke them out. Mike. So, this guy has an HSH male. Interesting. Yeah, Valdivia! He hasn't been able to stream much because his PC had one of those shitty... Oh, got you. I hope he does too. I really like his streams. They're like, he's a really cool artist. It's so fucking cool. Okay, let's go to work chat. Let's go to work it out. Oh, logging in chat. Alright, we're clocking into Tuesday, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Alright, I guess let's keep reading. Carpenter Ant.
Wow!
Blanc! Hey! Hey! Can we get a big shout out for Blanc, please? I love this guy. Blanc, I'm working a new job. I'm working a new job at the HSH. We got my first caller of the day. Hello? Oh, hey, bestie!
Hello, it's Carol again, your supervisor. I'm calling to let you know that you have been granted access to additional household hazard information. Please be aware that this information is confidential and not to be shared with anyone outside of HSH.
Chat, don't listen.
Diagnose one of these
don't listen.
We will be providing only information to the clients that is pertinent to address.
They didn't like my references.
Nothing more. Thank you.
E1, thank you for the lurk. Blanc, how you been, by the way? I hope you're not stressing out too bad. I know you have a crazy fucking month ahead of you. Permission have been updated. New entities. We got frozen pipes. We got fracture hob. Ew. Actually, I kind of fuck with that. He kind of silly looking. We got house fires. I hate it when that happens. We got false beat. Ew! We got desk hob. Little silly man. Little common hob. Another silly man. We got cellular growth. Love that. Oh. Hello. HSH. Oh.
Sorry, I'm
Mike!
calling to see if you might know about anything I can do to... Sorry. Anything you can do to prevent pollen from coming in the house? I think there's something seriously wrong with my ventilation or
It's me, allergies.
because I cannot stop sneezing. In the past, I haven't had problems so long as I've stayed inside, but I think something is getting in.
Anybody else in chat hate it when their house burns down? Okay, my man
Please
Mike.
hold.
My man Mike is mad sneezing. So what do we think? I think mold was a good instant here. We have... yeah, here we go. Allergic reactions or breathing problems. I think it's black mold. Or carbon monoxide. That's also different. But I think this is different. Because it's just, yeah, headache, dizziness, lethargy. I think it's black mold. Bed teeth! Cellular growth! Ow! What else do we got? We got pipe growth, pipe hob. Stair slug! Ew. Okay. I believe we have some mold. Brother! You have mold! Black mold. Bed teeth. Ew. Wait, what are bed teeth? Curious. Oh! Ew! That's gross! Ew, that's spooky! Hi, ma'am! Hi, Cal! Holy shit, that's cool. That's crazy! Let's read the description of bed teeth. Homeowners infested with bed teeth often report mild discomfort when sleeping, such as tickling or itching, and more rarely slimy, acidic residue on their skin. Bed teeth are not directly harmful to most humans given their brief sleeping schedules. Solution. Prevent growth, bed sheets. Oh my god. Hi, Cal! Hi, ma'am. Hello?
Do you know if there's such a thing as house thieves that clean? Like, maybe to disguise the robbery? At night, I keep hearing all this noise coming from my living room, but when I go look at it, I find the place spotless. But haven't yet found anything missing.
Call the
I've
bed
talked with the
dentist.
cops, but they keep telling me to call this number.
Oh.
So here I am.
Yeah, I was
Is there
thinking
something
Hobbs
you can do?
immediately. Okay, Hoonigan? Hoonigan? Your name's Hoonigan, like the car? Okay.
Please hold.
I think it's one of the Hobbs. It could be common hob? Common hobs are most common species of hob in the household. Those small humanoid creatures with dull gray skin. They have no false face. They have a tendency to consume dust, dirt, and common sticky residue found on the floors of dishes, cleaning them in the process. They generally only come out at night. Hobs are not dangerous. Okay, I think it's our common hob. Common hob. They're just little cleaning guys. Fracture hob. I think it's just our common hob. It be the little guys. We also have pipe hob. Ew! Pennywise moment. Okay, I'm gonna do common hob. Hi, Pegasus. I need me a common hob. Real. Where's the little guy? Here we go. Common hob could fix. Please. Bat. We got a bat. Oh, little baby. What else we got here? House spider. We don't have spiders on. Pipe growth. What did I walk into? We are playing home safety hotline. Welcome in. Must be the brownies. Ew. Oh, it's a silly man. Cryptid sounds good. I'm excited for that. Buzz Goober!
Just all over the place, I have these whippers.
Save me, Common Hob! Anyway, that guy was being a little silly. I don't appreciate those kind of phone calls. Stair slug. I love him. Wait. Ew! Stair slugs are long, dog-sized slugs commonly known to occupy the staircase. Hello? Hi!
I don't know what's going on inside my house. I heard something crawling in the walls.
In the walls?
I think I found teeth marks on my bedposts.
Oh.
I can't sleep at night knowing there's something in my house. Help me, please.
Okay, Michelle! Damn!
Huh?
Thank you for the lurk nickname.
Please
Okay,
hold.
bed mark. We this sounds like a hob of some kind. But okay, what's a fracture hob? What do these guys do again? To cause cracks, fractures in the walls of the homes they inhabit. They are physically similar to other hobs in structure size, except generally longer, wider hairlocks. Fracture hobs are not dangerous on their own, because cracks can be found at home. Other hobs. So fracture hobs are in the walls. That would be my only idea. I don't think it's bed teeth. Don't think it's a cellular growth. No, this is a cellar. Could be a rodent, maybe? I mean, all we have is mice right now. Maybe a bat? No, a bat wouldn't chew on the bed. And there's poop. They drop poop pellets. They wouldn't, I think, let's check if... Stair slug? I don't think stair slugs. Gopher in the house? That's similar to... No, this one's more sluggy. Slug-like. Raccoon? Is there a raccoon in the wall? Garbage, clattering sounds? No, they stay outside. Pipe hob? No, they also... No, they also clean. I'm guessing it's gonna be... Termites? Oh! Oh, wait, you're right, because of the bed thing? Wait, you're right. Could be termite. Squeak floor, small holes, drywall. Harmless. Where's termite? Report. Peeling paint, small holes in the drywall, or squeaky floorboards.
Hey there.
Hey!
There are emo kids down the street sitting in front of my house every day talking about My Chemical Romance. My wife told me they ain't bothering nobody, but they keep spoiling Death Note for me. Do you have anything that can rid me of them emos? Playing Nickelback doesn't work.
The emos. I don't know, man. I don't think I have any answers to that problem. You can't hear termites walking in the... Yeah, hold on. What did she say? I hear something crawling in the walls. And I think I found teeth marks on my bedpost. I want to say it's the hob, because this is just more so peeling paint and drywall and stuff and squeaky floorboard. Maybe it's that hob. Mole, mice. Could be mice, maybe. Ah, here we go. Gnaw marks. I think it's a mice. We don't have wall hob. We just have fracture hob. Gopher? I think it's mice. I don't think it's a gopher. Gophers are outside. Yeah, I'm gonna do mice because we got the gnaw marks on that one. Mice! Girl is freaking out over a rodent. Okay. There's a rat in my house! Oh! Can't say song, but can you tell Drima I said hi? Yes! Hi, Hero! Can we get a shout out for Hero, please? How you doing, Fran? Good job, team. Good job. Faucets smell, banging, whistling sounds coming from the pikes and leakers. See, I knew I'd be fucking into this game because you know how good I am at Papers, Please. Not to brag. It's one of those like ADHD games with memory. Fred!
Yeah, hey, I'm calling about a noise I've been hearing in my house lately. Sounds like scratching or something.
Oh.
It's real quiet. So definitely some kind of pest in my walls. I've sent out all kinds of traps, but I thought one worked for a while. Then I started hearing it again this week. I thankfully haven't seen any visible damage or droppings or whatever.
Fracture hob? No. So no droppings, no visible damage.
Please hold.
Hero, I saw! Congrats! That's awesome, friend. That's awesome, dude. Okay, so we got something scratching in the walls. But it's kind of quiet. Rena! Another mouse? Is this another mouse moment? How you doing, Rena? I am playing this game. It's been fun so far. There's no droppings or anything. Raccoon, that's more so outside. Mouse poop, He didn't say, though. He didn't say, look, haven't seen any visible damage yet or droppings or whatever. One trap worked. Wouldn't mind a mob in my house. See, not marks, small droppings and sounds of squeaking. So it has, what does he say? It's sound of scratching or something. House fire. Maybe it's a fracture hob. Hey! Where's my alert? Oh, there it is.
Fucking dumbass!
Hero! Thank you for the tier 1! Thank you so much for the tier 1! You ate them! I ate those food. Hero, I need to tell you something since you're here, because something fucking insane happened. I was watching a Vinesauce Vinny video, like, 2 days ago, and you showed up in it. Your comment in Vinny's chat showed up, and it was like you saying, Vinny, are you gonna go to hell, or something like that. And it was you. And I was like, what the fuck? Do you not know about that? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, let me grab that. Let me grab that. It was you. And I'm like, how fucking insane are the fact that you just came into my chat, like, recently? Oh, I'm showing it to you right now. Yeah, I'm grabbing it. Don't worry. Yeah! Yeah! I was like, what are the chances that happened? Yes, I'm positive it was you. It was you with the cake icon and the blue username. Like, it was literally a chat message that you sent. Okay, one sec, guys. I shit you not. I shit you not. Let me find it. Here it is. It came out, when did this come out? 7 days ago. Yeah. Okay, here, let me find the timestamp. We're taking a little intermission, because, this is insane. Hey chat, so this is insane. Luckily, whoever edits Vinny's videos are amazing at timestamping. Cameo moment! It was really short, but I need to find it. I need to find it. Dude, it's crazy! That's why I was watching it downstairs with Dylan, and I had to pause the video, and I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I know that person! I know that person! Okay, hold on. I'm trying to remember where it is. It was super quick. I think it was around here. But yeah, it's crazy. I'm just trying to find the timestamp. It was crazy! Let me see. Oh wait, I think I found it. I found it! Okay, here, are you ready? Okay, I have the timestamp, and I'm gonna just share it on chat too. I'm gonna share it on stream. So, it was this video. It was Vinny Reads Unhinged Chat Messages compilation. Here, look. Look!
Vinny, are you
It's fucking you! It's you! Yeah!
going to hell? I will see many chat members in hell.
I was like, I know that person! I posted that link in chat for you, but I was like, I paused the video. I'm like, holy shit, that's Hero! It was so crazy. It was just the coincidence, dude. The coincidence. Oh man, there you go. Yeah, I feel like you. I don't know why I thought you knew already, but yeah, that was so funny. Okay, back to the game. DiCaprio moment. Yeah. So this man's got scratching in the walls, but nothing really else. Quit your job. You're famous now. Yep. The highest of highs. Okay. I don't. Thanks, Dad Knight. Welcome in, gamer. So this, I don't think it's a fracture hob either, because this guy doesn't see any damage. So it's just something floating in the wall. Dad Knight, how are you? False beat. The beat go numb. This isn't it. Carpenter ants? Wait, carpenter ants. Small insects nesting inside wood. Homeowners infested with these pests sometimes report. Oh. I think this man has ants. Because faint rustling sounds. This guy's just hearing like scratching. Carpenter ants! Carpenter ants! And wait, listen. He's got ants in his pants. I'm gonna suggest carpenter pants. Carpenter ants! Carpenter ants! Hi, Paper! Oh my god, long time no see. How you doing? How you doing? Alright, this man's got ants! Me and I have ants. There. Perfect. That lines up. Yeah. Slay! Alright, what else we got in here? Bat. Carbon monoxide. Put them on! Put on the pants! Who else has ants? Me! False beat. What does false beat do? I'm good. Busy with Burke mostly. Felt. I'm glad you're good though. Hello? Hello?
Do you guys handle security? I need home security installed.
Oh.
Someone's breaking into my house and going through all my stuff at night. I know it's Bob from accounting. He's always been envious of me.
Oh.
I know what you're doing, Bob. Going through my papers, taunting me with your organization skills. I need your best home security equipment.
Damn. Damn. Okay, Dan. Shit. All right, so what we got here.
Please hold.
Someone's breaking into my house and going through my stuff at night. That's all we got here. Someone, okay. So, okay, excluding all the drama, is Bob on the list? That sounds like desk hob? Desk hob subspecies, vanities and other similar structures. They regularly like to tidy their homes, frequently sort and order materials in the desk to their liking. They are physically similar to the other hob, but generally much smaller and have raspy, loose hair. That does sound like, yeah, he's just going through his stuff, so, but he never mentioned like a desk, but I'm assuming, here we go, going through my papers, taunting me with your organization skills! Yes! Desk Bob! I saw Markiplier play, yeah! I was watching, Joel Vinesauce play this, and I was like, I fucking have to play it on stream. It's so much fun. Cal got a turkey sandwich. Nice. Okay, slay. Oh, slay. Oh, another 100% accuracy. Guys, we're pretty good at this job. We're pretty good at this job. Pretty good. Y'all Vinesauce. Woo! Oh, yeah. Zen! Is this hotline safe? Is it from home? Yeah, Hero. It comes out this month. I think, who was it? Cryptid in chat, who's friends with one of the artists for the DLC, said the 20th. I'm so excited. Hey, can we get a shout out for Zet Zen, please? How you doing, homie? Guys, we have a new video on our desktop. I wonder what's inside. Give me that. Give me this cryptid shit. Real estate update. Oh, I'm excited to be playing it. Lake Avenue, 1 bed, 2 bath, 1,000 square feet. Okay. Dude! That's the scariest part of this game, is the housing prices. I just straight up swabbing it. I mean, Peg Lake. 3 bathroom. Berry Lane. Slay. It's free real estate. It's free real estate. Ooh! 4 bed, 5 bathrooms. Damn, what could happen? What possibly could happen? Wait a sec. Civil authorities has issued a missing person alert for the following. Yeah, what's up, Oliver? Peanut Avenue! Berry Country. Didn't we just see Berry Country in the first one?
This is a missing persons alert. Authorities are currently looking for missing
Oh my god,
child
Oliver,
Robbie
yeah.
Parker, male,
Peanut!
brown hair,
Peanut!
approximately 4
Berry
feet
Lane!
tall, last seen wearing a yellow shirt, brown shorts, and white tennis shoes. Suspect is described to be approximately 6 feet tall, barefoot, wearing a large bush or shrub on
Ooh.
their
Oh my
person.
god,
Last
Fortnite?
seen at approximately 10:25 a.m. Please
Another Berry
report
Lane.
any unusual activity to your local authorities.
Oh. Robbie Parker. What? Why is that so cheap? doing? Oh no, did they get Bob? So they were wearing a Fortnite bush. Alright, we got another one from Mike. It's too late for you now. They gave you access to more info, didn't they? I want you... I warned you if you end up like me. Join me in this hole. They haven't found me yet. It is safe here. Ooh, you should be watching. Look closer. That's what I was thinking. Some creature probably showed up. Network error. Attention call team. Our network team is migrating to our back-end service over to a new hosting provider this week. You may experience some occasional network errors over the next few days. Please be sure you are studying your information entities carefully while you still have access to this case and the network goes down while you're on the phone with the client. You will still be expected to provide accurate answers. Ooh. So we gotta remember. Mike is Ratatouille. Oh. Those plays are creepy. I want to go back to the video and look. Another coupon! Yes! Yes, chat! We got horseshoes! Woo! Used horseshoes. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! A great deal for sure. Great. Fuck yeah! Hey, let's watch that video again. For no reason. For no good reason! So, that was the first one. Is there anyone creepy? I don't see anything. Am I tripping? The code is an amazing discount. They really ain't horsing around. God, get out! Get out of here. Hi, Sharkfin! What's up? I did! Wait, is that last house? This one? Does it look like a person? I can't really tell. Berry Lane. Actually, Berry Lane... Hold on. Missing persons... Park County, Berry Lane. Second house. This one? So we got... So the first house is this one. Lake Avenue. Berry Lane. No. Yes, Berry Lane. Is there anything between the crosses?
Horseshoes? That's a shoe-in luck boost.
What about this one? Berry Lane. Does it move? I don't see anything. Berry Lane. The door's open. I don't know. I don't see anything weird. two bed, 3 bath.
You so fucking precious.
Wow.
Hit it from the back and drive you.
I don't know.
Girl, I lose myself up in those.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll keep snooping around.
I just had to let you know you're.
What's the extra bathroom for? I don't know. A lot of houses have this. So if I'm speaking off personal experience, the place I live in has 1 bedroom, 2 bath. I think it's like a floor thing. So if you have multiple floors, pissing. Yeah, it's for big pissers. It's for big pissers. Is something supposed to happen in the video or the pictures? I got a weird feeling about this one. I don't know. I don't see anything. Bro, the pisser house! My house telemarketer money. In case you get bathroom tea. Alright, well, we'll come back to that later. So your house, all they do is piss. Liberty House, all they do is piss. Let's go to work. Let's go to work, bitch. Bow, 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 bow. Let's work, bitch. I don't know how long this game is either. I'm just gonna keep playing it. Opinion on Dino Nuggies? I haven't had them in like a hot minute, but they're really good. They're really good. One bath's for piss and the other is for shitting. Stop. Awful. It's a bit less than 10 hours. Oh, okay, perfect. No, I wanted to make it like a several stream, like kind of series that I do once in a while. So that's perfect. That's perfect. Let's clock in. You're having some right now? Jealous. All right, chat. We're going to work. We have all the same business here. We got ticks, termites, our trusty stair slug. Hello? Is it Carol? Hi.
Hello, Supervisor Carol here again.
It is Rob.
Updated your permissions. You should now have access to more
Sure,
extensive
Hero.
information to work with for your future calls.
Oh, we get more.
Please be sure to read these new entries carefully so
Okay.
you can continue providing our clients with accurate
Different bongs for different occasions.
Please remember that this information is strictly confidential and not to be shared with anyone unless pertinent to a caller's needs. Thank you.
Don't listen, chat. When does Freddy Fazbear show up? I don't know. He hasn't shown up yet. Thanks, Carol. Bye. Woo! New information chat. We got T-Spirit. Oh my god, just like the Pokemon. It drinks tea. Toilet hob! Oh my god, we have a toilet.
There's something in the basement. I've seen it. It's huge, almost as big as my dog. It doesn't hiss or growl or anything, but I haven't gotten close enough.
Is it a
to
slug?
find out what it is, since it's always just lurking out of sight.
Is it a slug?
The stairs. I need someone to come get this thing out of my basement as soon as possible.
It's a slug!
Lock the door since I can still hear the steps creaking under its weight down there.
My bad. It's a slug! We have Slug Boy
Please
because...
hold.
Because look, if you read about the stair slug, it's dog-sized slug. Commonly known to occupy stairwells and basements. Alright, my brother has a slug problem. Honestly, not too much of a problem, but sorry, pal. What plane they slug? Yay! Okay, what else we got? We have toilet hob. They toilet my hob. Unicorn fungi. Oh, cute. They often affect animals' deposition, causing them to be drawn in the soil. Homeowners will often report their pet fiercely digging around inside their home. Okay, we got whistling fungi. We got a call. Hey, Peter.
Hey, I've been hearing some really weird noises coming from the
Oh, okay, Hero.
recently. I'm not sure what it could mean. It just makes this nasty sound anytime I run it, along with this
Faucet hob.
nasty smell.
Ooh. Faucet hob. This man's got
Please hold.
a faucet hob wine spirit. Ew. Ew, look at that little guy. Okay, I think this guy's got a faucet hob. Pipe hob? Pipe hob. Frozen pipe. Oh. Oh, maybe you're right. Hobs in. Yeah, wait, they consume dirt. They clean the dirt. This guy has said it was stinky. Or pipes freezing, expanding, causing stoppages, leaks, cracks, leaks, homeowners from pipes, strange smell, stinky, whistling, banging noises coming from the pipe. You right. Yeah, I'll pipe his hob. Stop. These people are unreliable sometimes. Could also be pipe growth. Oh, true, maybe. Well, here's the thing. All we have right now is weird noises and smell, which is pretty much bang on to what this is. Let's check pipe growth. Larger than pipes they inhabit, therefore clog the pipe indefinitely until removal. Pipe growth are also known to make loud. No, this has nothing to do with smell. I'm pretty sure this guy's got stinky pipes. Stanky pipe! No, something spicy. There you go. I gotta see what else we got here. We got a lot of new shit. Okay, we got lamp spirit. Cute. Something causing burning smell in the home. Memory wisp. Ooh, dude. Critical error. Audio sample provided is incorrect. Oh, okay. Memory wisp will often report missing pictures, photo albums. Oh, so they take photos away. That's cool. Mirror nymph. Nymphs commonly report not being able to recognize their own face. Homeowners. Oh, that's creepy. That's creepy. Hello. Ring a ding ding. It's. I'm in the pipe. Damn. Quaid.
My wife. I can't. Her face.
Oh, speaking of mirror nymph.
Gone. It's gone. My wife. I can't see her face. I can't see her face.
This one's mega. It's crazy.
Oh god, it's all gone.
Damn! I miss my wife tails.
Please hold.
I think this guy got a mirror nymph. Generally small, faceless, voiceless humanoids carrying large mirrors. They beckon onto it. Like, homeowners affected by mirror nymphs commonly report not being able to recognize their own face. No direct danger to human. I miss my wife tails. I miss her so much. You guys. Is it a mirror nymph? I'm assuming it is. Yeah, it's their own face, not others. So why can't he see her face? That's what I was thinking too. What are we thinking? This is creepy, right? I love it. I think he might be blind. The one before? The memory! Oh, you're right. So, hold on. Memory was owner's household and removing memories from the home. It's homeowners. Homeowners and festive memories will often report missing pictures, photos, and the inability to remember face of a loved one! You're right. Yes. This guy right here reminds me of Gaben. Alright, what else we got? Oh, I guess we'll never know. False rosebush. Ooh. Oh,
Hey, yeah, name's
Fred
Fred
Pinball!
I'm calling to lodge a complaint against your place of business.
Business.
I have never seen such a big old mess.
The Home Gemini. Yes, hero. I fucking love those series so much. I can't see my own Steve. Fred!
I got sawdust coming out of my drawers here. And I grabbed you by the goober and
The goober? Grabbed him by the what?
Oh, what's she gonna do? What's she gonna do to make this right?
This guy stinks!
Grabbed him by the goober. I want to grab you by the goober and smack you around till next Sunday. Hey, chat, are you ever getting bullied? Here's a great line. Bing bong. Hi, babe.
There's a video game called Grabbed by the Ghoulies?
Grabbed by the ghoulies.
Don't grab me by the ghoulies, chat. Leave my ghoulies alone.
That's so much recording these prank calls. They're silly. Slowly Longmo Potion Castle. True. True. Dylan's here. Dylan is the ghoulie. Grab by the goober, buy me dinner first. Take me out for dinner. Did someone say pinball? No.
Oh no.
No, no,
Uh-oh.
no one said pinball.
Paya. I like that Paya grabbed it, not Nart.
Paya was like, no. Fine, fine. I'll play fucking pinball. You guys are terrible. I couldn't help it. I guess. Fine, fine. Pinball was the anomaly this whole time. The whole time! A boss battle! Okay, guys, we're doing pinball and a boss battle. So if you want to take part in the boss battle, do !join, Ranger, Druid, Bard, Necromancer, Mage, Warrior, Priest. There's a lot of options. And you get a lot of points for it, too. So feel free to join the boss battle, everybody. And you have to stay in chat. You have to...
Don't leave!
Don't leave!
If you leave, I'll find you and put you back in chat!
Dylan will get you.
Whoa!
Hello. Alright, I'm playing pinball because somebody requested it. Gonna grab mac and cheese pizza. You guys want some? Ooh, that sounds good. By the way, if you've never taken part in pinball in the boss battle before, all you gotta do is type 1, 2, or 3 in chat when it's your turn. Gotta get my fish in! Yes, get your fish in. I'm gonna play pinball real quick. You guys are so mean! Hi, Herman. I have my kitty cat here. Guys, I'm gonna forget all the anomalies because of pinball. It, like, wiped my memory. I should get a quote system. I really need to. I really do. Hello. Nice. Fish in a car! Fish car! Join the boss battle, guys! We need a few more people! We need a few more people! Exclamation join. Aw, dang it! God dang
Hey,
it!
it's Maury. Here
Hi.
with some extra image analysis of that real estate video from earlier.
Okay.
Looks like two of the houses on the same lane, 984 and 980 Berry Lane, had some plant anomalies in them. One even had a yellow shirt on the ground, like the missing kid was wearing, and a big plant growth that, well, could be that kid.
Whoa, I'm balling! Carnan, thank you for the overview. That's creepy. I mean, we could probably go look. Ah! Even one had a yellow kid shirt on the ground. Crazy! I did not even see that. We got Detective Carnan on the case, baby. Alright. The boss battle has started. Plants be whack. Omega, how you been, by the way? How you been doing? Oh, damn it. I erased the bonus. Shit! Oh! Can I help you?
I'm gonna have the rest of the leftover taco.
The taco meat?
The tortillas.
No, I'm okay.
You're good. I'm good to have.
I don't need that.
Chat, you didn't want it.
Chat, you didn't want taco, right?
No, of course you didn't.
Certainly not.
Of course you didn't want it. I'm gonna go eat all.
Damn. Bye. When are you leaving again?
Quarter after?
Okay. Ish. Sheesh.
Snoosh.
Whoa. Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, I want a taco. Oh, me? I'm chilling. Guys, I did my breath tea. Oh my god, Omega's chilling. Omega's straight chilling. I love that. I love that so much. No worries, hero. I was grabbing pizza. No worries. Oh, no! Game over. All right, there's your pinball. You happy? Damn. Damn. It's time to wind down for our shark stream. Yeah, we big chilling. We're going to be doing bingo here in a little bit, too. All right, let's get back to it. So we got false rosebush. Chase down. It chases down. Ew! Ew, why does it have dogs? It has dogs. Hello? Harvey. Oh.
Hi? I, have no idea what's happening. My sheets are growing nasty sharp things on them, and my legs itch like crazy.
Teeth!
Do I need to be showering more often or something? I usually shower like once a week for my skin health, so maybe that's it?
I'm sorry. Did this motherfucker just say he showers once a week? Sir, I think... Oh! Ew. Oh!
Please hold.
Okay, anyway, this guy's got bed teeth. If you don't know what bed teeth are, they're these lovely... Oh, dear, what's happening? Bed teeth are these lovely... Oh, okay, we're having our network issue happening. But that's bed teeth. Guaranteed. No, I didn't read all the information on these things. I don't even know what a boggart is. I don't know what a boggart is or a false artifact. Our shit's already transferring. Uh-oh. Damn it! Hi, Wear Tiger! We bed teeth. Ah, welcome in. We just had a bed teeth moment. Damn it. Boggarts are a hob gone evil. Oh shit, okay. Okay. Hi, Wanda.
Hello?
Hi, Wanda.
I was told to call this number to ask about my problem. The wall in my bedroom doesn't look right near the bottom. The bottom of the wall has some cracks, or maybe it's peeling. I'm not sure.
Wall
I
hob.
have a cat named Whiskers, and sometimes he likes to sharpen his claws at the couch. But he would never do that to the wall. He knows just how naughty that would be.
That sounds like a fracture hob, does it not? So I've got a wax warmer, right? But no wax, so I fucking dug up a Glade candle. What the fuck, hero? Yo, congrats, guys! You beat him! Feel free to do what you like with your coins, your new found tokens. I think that's a fracture hub. So if she's got cracking on the wall, that's a fracture hub. Obviously, it's not going to show us the information. Or what was it? Yeah. Oh! Oh, our info is back. So here we go. Physically similar to other hubs' size, known to cause cracks and fractures in walls of the homes they inhabit, which is what she got right here. Or because she says peeling, I'm thinking termite, right? Here we go. Often report peeling paint, small holes in the drywall, or squeaky floorboards, but she never said anything about the floorboard. I'm thinking fracture hub. Maybe. Wood secretions. What is this? No, not that. I think it's a fracture hub. Just because of the cracks. Cracks they cause leading to fundamental fracture of the home. I think it's a fracture bob. We'll do that. Yes. By the way, anybody new in chat, or if you're newer, because Freak Bob, hey guy. Have you heard that audio where it's like, hey guys, it's Freak Bob. Hi Cotton, I'm really good. I did eat before stream. I had some fresh cereal. Don't pick up the phone. Wait, what do you mean? Right now? What was I saying? Do not answer, Freak Bob. Sorry. But you guys can customize your sharks or fish, so all those little creatures. All those little creatures over here, you guys can customize them. Fresh? What makes it fresh? Fresh cereal? It's because I had to open the box because it was a fresh box of cereal. Alright. What was I doing? I don't care about that. I want to learn about this motherfucker. Ew! Oh! Oh! I don't like that. Hi, Gary.
Do you think this is some kind of joke?
Oh.
Last week, I called you guys about some weird noises I had coming from my living room, and the info package you sent me said something about leaving out a bowl of cream? What kind of joke is that? It's been a week now that I've been dealing with this racket, no thanks to you, and now we're starting to have power outages.
Oh.
Your employee's stupid joke is now probably going to cost me who knows how much in repair costs. So talk to your manager and tell them they owe me big time. You figure out what's going on in my house, and you figure it out now!
Gary! That's a is it? So power outages. Let me read about this. That's terrifying. 6 feet tall, fairly conceiving false faces. They're known for causing household accidents such as flooding, fires, electrical outages. They also frequently observe their targets while they sleep. Oh, calm your tits, Gary. I think Gary needs to touch some grass. He's as good as dead. So are we thinking it's this fucker? Power outages. And he's saying, weird noises coming from my living room. And I don't think common hobs do that. Coming out at night. No. Oh, it became evil. All right, well, I think you got a bigger issue on your... Wait, what kind of noise does it make?
Let's go gambling!
It wants to gamble. Okay. Guess we'll never know. Jesus. Alright, good luck with that, Gary. Hope you don't die. Oh, time to... Oh, damn it. I was wrong on one of them. It looks like I was wrong on one. Alright, an ad break's coming up. So, what time is it? I usually like to leave at least in half an hour for Nukes video. We're doing an old Nukes video, by the way. An ad break is just about to start. Twitch, what do you want? Ah. Alright, we have an ad break coming in like a minute. That's fine. Yo, we have a new video! Actually, wait, let's look at this one real quick. Because I missed it. What house had the kid in the yellow shirt? Because I can't see it. Which one was it? Wasn't the kid? It was the... Oh, it was a creature with a yellow shirt. Last house. I don't see it. Is it supposed to be like...
And please report any unusual activity to your local authorities.
I don't know. Look, bottom right ground. This? I don't see anything. That's a shirt? Oh. Oh. I don't see it. Oh, really? Oh. Oh, okay. New video. We'll watch this new video before the ad happens. Space! We got, what is this, science video? Oh, fuck! Okay, we'll watch the video after the ad break. Alright, let's do a quick ad. I'll be right back, guys. Ad break time. Sit tight, relax, go get some water, go get a drink. I'll be back.
Back to the lab again. 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 Not again. Back to the van.
Boing! Alright, we're back from ads. Hi, everybody. Hello, welcome in. Let's go gambling. I love that redeem. I love that I added that sound to it. I think that's really funny. Alright, Shark, where do you find these songs? The ones that were just playing over the ad break, all come from the album Mad Rat Monday, done by Chongo Show. And I've picked out a lot of my ones that are my favorite. So the album on YouTube is called Mad Rat Monday, and it's full of so much shit. It's amazing. Did you see that? Yeah, I saw the clip. Thank you. Feel free to put it in my Discord. That way I can actually see it later. It's so good. Thank you guys for the clips. I love clips. A lot of the time I take my clips and I'll turn them into TikToks. So it's always appreciated. Always appreciated. Smile. Big smile. All right, gamers, let's get back to it. We'll play maybe like another day or two, and then we'll get over to into Nukes Bingo territory. Very excited. Let's continue here. All right, we were just about to watch the new video that suddenly appeared on our desktop. I appreciate it. What day? This is gonna be. So after this video, we're gonna be on Thursday. I'm two steps ahead, baby. Always 2 steps ahead. Did you guys see that? Did you see Nikocado Avocado? Let's go gambling. We don't have to talk about it, but it's insane. Positive. Holy cow. All right. I called it after this day. Okay, sounds good. Is that when it gets a little crazy? The mystery of mice. Ratatouille, save yourself for stuff later. Okay, so if I stop after the day that we're about to do, you'd say that's like a halfway point. Welcome in, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, how you doing? We're getting to the good stuff. No, it's just the game is a week. Oh, okay, yeah, fair enough. Don't play Friday. Okay, I'll stop after this day though. Thank you for letting me know. I've done that thing in games where chat can like attest to it too, where I've like. You know what? A good example would be Interior Worlds. I thought I had 3 levels left of Interior Worlds. Turns out I only had 1. And I probably streamed that game for like 45 minutes. And I'm like, well, game's over. It's happened more times than I'd like to say. Alright, let's restart this. Let's start this bitch. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Science mysteries happens to the best of us. The mystery of mice. Is this Ratatouille?
One of humanity's oldest friends and oldest enemies.
I think I know this video.
From the Black Plague to the shelves of our pet stores.
Maybe.
Mice have lived alongside humans for centuries.
Mice!
And just like humans, mice may even be evolving alongside us as well.
No, never mind. I'm thinking about a different video.
This is a musculus.
Musculus!
Otherwise known as the common house mouse.
The meese. Big fan of mouse.
And this is Mus musculus loquentis, otherwise known as the smart mouse.
It's Celeste.
A newly discovered species known for...
Oh my god! Hey, Raiders! Welcome in, you guys! Conan Raid! Army of Cats! Welcome in, everyone! How y'all doing? Raiders! Welcome in, everybody. My name is Sharksighted or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber, and we're playing a little spooky tonight. We're playing some games, we're hanging out. Sit back, relax, and consider this, Raiders. I got something for you. Ready? Let's go!
Let me tell you.
welcome in. Welcome, welcome in. How was your stream? Welcome in, you guys. Everyone, go give Conan a big follow. Dylan, shush for 1 sec. He's laughing at the rat on my screen.
Rat. Screen rat. I'm heading out.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Raiders.
Drive safe.
Hi, Raiders. Bye, Raiders.
How are you? Welcome in, everybody. That was a little introduction to the vibes here. I hope you guys are doing so good, and I hope your stream was good. Yeah, welcome in. How y'all doing? Stream was amazing. Played Dave the Driver. Ah! Oh my god, I love Dave the Driver. Dave the Diver. Words hard. I love that game so much. I've been playing it on my own off stream. It's so much fun. And Words on stream is fun too. Hi, Rab. Hi, everybody. Oh my god, Buzz, you goober. Well, welcome in. I hope you guys are having such a good time. And welcome into my side of things. I appreciate you guys. We are playing our first game, first playthrough of Home Security Hotline. It's kind of like a liminal anomaly kind of reporting game. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. As you can see, there's a rat on my screen right now. We're watching a video, but it's been good. Welcome in, Rab. Welcome in, Buzz and Raiders. I hope you guys are doing so good. What is Dave not doing? No, for real. Dave needs a vacation. What? So true. But welcome in, you guys. Conan, if you have to go after your stream, or you got to go like relax or go eat dinner or whatever, feel free to lurk it up. I get it so much. I get it if you got to go lurk or whatever. But welcome in regardless. Also, Rab, how are you, gamer? It's good to see you too. This game has been so much fun. We're doing our last day, so we're on Thursday right now, and then we're gonna be playing more of it next week. But later, Raiders, we're gonna be doing a Nukes Top 5 Bingo segment on my stream after this. So if you want to stick around and get a bingo card later, we'll be doing that too. But welcome in, you guys. Rat video. H-Chan. Hey, dude! You made it home. Congrats, bestie. Welcome home. Hi, H-Chan. Doing good. Need to tell you about a dream I had. Oh my god, I was in your dream? What was I doing? Was I being evil? What the fuck? What was I doing? I love that shit. I made it home. Welcome back, bestie. I made a joke about you. Nocturnal! Wow, my friends! All my friends are coming in here. Damn. Okay, I need to finish the rat video. Hold on.
Importantly, it's increased intelligence.
Rat. Ew, I don't like the eyeball.
Mice have brains smaller than peanuts.
What did you say, man? I'll show you. One sec. I'll show you what I said. I'll reenact it.
Has observed they are capable
I don't think anyone clipped it.
Quite intelligently.
But I'll reenact it.
And in the case of the smart mouse, perhaps even capable.
Gay mouse. Gay brain.
Of communication. With the help of modern computer technology, today's scientists have been able to interpret the previously indecipherable squeaks of a smart mouse. And have discovered what seems to be hidden messages within. Let's take a listen.
Oh. Rat replay. Bars. That wasn't in there. That's some new top 5 shit.
Is this a wonder of evolution?
Space rat!
Or are we just hearing things that aren't there? Do mice and men have more in common than previously thought?
Oh my god, Rab!
Well, I suppose that's what makes this a science mystery.
Science rat. That rat really said, "Help me! Help! Help me!" Okay, let's start the day. Actually, wait, no, mail. Hold on, we got a new email. New office pet? Oh my god! Guys, it's Herman! Well, it's not Herman, but it's like low-key Herman. Home Safety Hotline family, we're excited to introduce to you all our brand new office pet, Whiskers. Whiskers is loyal, friendly, and is serious about pest control, as we are. Please give Whiskers a warm welcome if you see him wander by your desk. Note, please refrain from picking up or feeding Whiskers, as he is still getting to know everyone in the office. He has scheduled feeding times. Thank you for the clip. I need to DM you the dream. Yeah, Rab, absolutely. You can DM me, that's fine. Kimmy! Guys, his little Whiskers. Surely nothing bad will happen. Surely. That's it. Yep. Okay, let's go to our last day of work. Thursday. Club going up on a Thursday. Shee! In the middle of gaming, it would be like my browser. We're just gonna fucking hunt Mike down, dude. All right, we're clocking in, baby. Clock in the mind. Okay, H-Chan, I was going through these things on the side, and there was one that was, where is it? There was, I need to reenact it. I was like, where is it? Hold on. I need to find it. What was it called? Fuck! Hold on. Hi, Ghost! What's up?
Hello. Supervisor Carol here again. I've been watching the closely, employee.
Oh.
I'm impressed so far by your dedication to accuracy. I have once again updated your permissions, so you should have access to more extensive household hazard information.
Ghost, how you doing?
Keep up the great work, employee. Our eyes rest upon me.
I don't like the way she said that. New data! Oh, we got new attic gnome! Brother. Okay, wait, where's the fucking... Where is it? I need to see what... I need to tell HM what I did. I don't think it's here. Anyway, HN, it was... something had to do with, like, flooding. There was like a house flood, and then I just said, HN moment. Oh! Hello? I'm late! That's okay, Ghost. Oh.
I think there might be something wrong with her faucet. Recently, I've been having the worst kind of stomach bug, just aches and pains constantly.
Ooh.
But after a month, it still hasn't gone away, and I'm thinking there's got to be something wrong with the water, because we only eat fresh, homegrown fruits and vegetables here, and we ain't ever had any problems until now.
Sounds good.
I keep hearing things about rusted pipes and water poisoning.
Okay, maybe this is the pipe guy. The pop gob. What did I just say?
Send someone out to get this fixed for us.
So, okay, I haven't read everything yet.
Please hold.
This sounds like Fey flu. Oh, wow. So they're getting sick because of their water. And I'm assuming it might be pipe growth, right? Pipe growth on cellular pipes. But he hasn't... I don't think so. Something to do with the water. Seedling. I haven't even seen any of this new shit. Outdoors. Travel gnome. Remember the food? What about the food? Something about the water, because we only go fruit and vegetables. We've never had any problems until now. I keep hearing things about rusting pipes, water poisoning. Fungus. No. Yeah, I'm gonna check some of the new stuff. Let's go up. Cellar Grotto! He's also a farmer. There's bad smell coming from their basement humidity. Beetles, frogs, Fey feast. Ew! Cornmeal. Okay, that's no. Floor roots. Gross. The Horde. Oh my god! I don't think it's the Horde. Laundry gnome! Sillies. Silly guys. Don't think it's that. We got Night Gnome. Ooh. Ooh! Okay, I don't think it's that. Night Wisp. No. Portal. Oh. So Horn's Portal, Cold Draft, Strange Dreams. No. Seedling. That was not that. Travel Gnome. No, I don't think it's a gnome. Wine Sprite. Not the fungus. Let's see. Toilet Hob. Ticks. Okay. Pipe Hob. These guys just chill. The Hobs are just chill like that. Yeah, no. I'm gonna look through a few of them here and see. I don't think it's pipe growth either. It's really fun. It's kind of short, but it's really fun. Frozen pipe, floor root, false beat. False beat be like appearance to trick gardeners into harvesting and eating it. Ow! It's a false beat! It has to be! It has to be a false beat, right? It's tricking people into thinking that they're food. When the beat is false. Wampa. Wait, when the beat is bad. Okay, you got a false beat, my boy. False beat. Woo! Nice. Nice. Good luck, sir. I hear Herman running around downstairs. Herman! What you doing? I hear his little feet on the hardwood. Bring the beat in. Drop the beat. What else did we get? Nothing much. We got a lot of gnomes. We got a lot of gnomes unlocked. You guys. We got no. Oh. Hello. Hi. Oh, it's Wanda again.
Hello? I followed every instruction your people sent me, but I'm still getting cracks on my wall.
When the
my daughter
when the beat is false.
told me not to call you anymore for help. I'm sorry. Goodbye.
So we fucked up Wanda's thing last time. What was her issue then? Because we told her that she had mice. Okay, bye, bitch. I don't know. I'm not sure what she had then. That's weird. Very weird. What was this seedling? We fucked up Wanda's thing, yeah. No, last time it didn't say. It was 83%, so I don't know what she had. Yeah. Not too sure. T-Sprite. Sprite. We already listened to that one. Oh! Fracture Hub, probably. Maybe? Oh!
The police told me to call this number. So
Hi, Felicia!
I hope I got the right number here. Anyway, I think somebody is stalking me. I can see their shadow at night at my window, just staring into the house.
I told her it's a gnome!
When I close the window, I can still hear him out there, breathing. I've been sleeping on the couch every night this past week, just so he won't see me.
Felicia!
The police said they can't do anything, so please, send somebody or do something about this.
Typical
I can hardly sleep anymore.
Typical police behavior. Police directing people. Exactly. I think she has a night gnome. See? They're known for their tendencies to enter the sleeping quarters of humans to watch them while they sleep. Homeowners affected night gnomes frequently report sighting them in the middle of the night or heavy breathing sounds during the late night. It could be a night gnome. Or... Yeah, there's shadow at night in the window, just staring into my house. When I close the window, they can still hear him out there breathing! Yeah, it's a night gnome. It do be kind of a nice picture. It do be. It was me. I was trying to talk to her about the Walker's extended warranty. They do be peeking though. Win! Robin, how are you? How you doing? Welcome in. Hope you're doing good. Alright, Granny got a night gnome. Granny keeping too many gnomes. Or could it be D's Nuts? No! That's the worst one of all. Night gnome. That was such an Instagram girly. Just finished a model! Let's go! You cooking? You cooking over there? Slay. Laundry gnome. What was the laundry? Wait, that's me. Good night. Good night, Omega! Can we get another shout out for Omega before he goes into slumber? Good night. Thanks for chilling. Often report loud rattling, banging sounds coming from their home's washing machine or missing socks. Prince jump scare. Hi, Prince. Hi. Oh. Hello. Who is it? Belinda!
Hello, yes. I believe there may be some kind of problem with our home ventilation.
Oh.
Lately, we've been hearing awful banging noises coming from the ceiling, and the air quality seems to have been drastically reduced.
Oh.
My daughter hasn't been able to stop coughing.
Coughing, banging, shitty air quality. Okay. Okay. Let's think. Let's think. So, there's a lot of noise and bad air. I'm gonna maybe attic gnome. Gross. Rapping sound. Oh! It might be an attic gnome. Bees! It's the fucking bees! Buzzing or stings. It might be an attic gnome because of the air quality. Pipe growth. I don't think so. Because the pipe growth is like an actual living thing inside the pipes. I'm thinking attic gnome. House fire! House fire. Hey lady, your house is on fire. Fae flu. No. A lot of gnomes. There's a lot of fucking gnomes in the fucking cellar grotto. Yeah, these are not. These are the cellars of the basement. I'm thinking attic gnome because of just the constant noises, like she said. And then, or a surplus of dust coming out of the ventilation. Banging noises. Yeah. They cause shitty air quality. The air quality is bad. There's smoke. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a fire. Alright. Bye. Ma'am. Least favorite thing about getting home is washing. For real. I do that. I have the worst fucking mascara right now. I hate it so much. It comes off in clumps. And then if you don't get all of it off, it smudges. That was fast. Hello? May.
Please help me. The police refused to do anything. They told me to call you.
Typical.
Please say you can help. My little boy, Jeremy, has gone missing. He's 8 years old and such a sweetheart. The last time I saw him was when I was tucking him into bed last night and checking his messy closet for bees to calm him down. Oh, it's silly, I know, but my poor Jeremy is always so concerned about bees and
bees?
And stuff. I miss him.
It's bees. It's bees.
Please say you can help me find
It's
him.
not
It's all
bees.
I have.
Jeremy. So Germa's gone, guys. Germa's fucking gone.
Please hold.
It's bees. Okay, so what's taking kids, huh? What's taking kids out here? I'm curious. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do some reading. My child has gone missing. The police refused to do it. Yeah, so real. I thought it was bees at first. It's like 10 times worse. Yeah. I'm thinking it's some kind of like wisp or something, like a night thing. Let's think. Let's see. Jeremy is gone, and he's concerned about bees. Alright. Toilet, travel gnome. So that's travel suitcase, something or other. It's uber mega fogged. Oh shit, okay. Well, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Pop in my head. And before she never had a kid to begin with. Oh shit! Not bad teeth. Bogart, we've already had Mr. Man over here. I was me. This one is object based. Oh, really? Interesting. It's a bat. Fae feast. That's just slop. That is the meal. Fae flu. Jeremy was bees. No. False artifacts. Some buzzing. There's missing children. Missing children or pets. Hey, wait. Is this? What is it called? Is this a Mandela reference? Homeowners with false artifacts often report missing places or missing children. Buzzing! Buzzing! This has to be a Mandela fucking... This has to be a Mandela Easter egg. Might be, actually. Yeah. Girl's got a false artifact. Gentle buzzing
Welcome
sound.
to the Maury helpline. How may I help you, mother?
Bees.
Do you want one shark
Faded!
hug or one shark advice?
Faded! Faded, what's up, dude? Okay, Gorilla Boss got a fart artifact. Ow! Faded, what's up, gamer? What's up? That has to be it. Also, the kids inside the fucking TV. How to get in there? And most likely dead. Damn! I want to look at the dogs on this, bro. What does he sound like? Robot's got a fart. Go fart, girl! Hello? Hi, Zanny!
Hi. I'm concerned somewhat about the stability of my new home.
Oh.
I recently finalized the purchase and naturally afterwards found that there are several large cracks in the
You wanna go
walls
whip
of
up,
the basement
whip up?
that were not previously disclosed, as well as several pieces of half-eaten cheese littered across the basement floor.
Oh!
I haven't been able to get in contact with the previous owners about this, and I'm wondering if you can offer any kind of legal advice.
Legal. You want legal advice for cheese in the basement? Okay. My man's got several large cracks in the wall that were not disclosed. Several pieces of half-eaten cheese in the basement.
Please hold.
That sounds like a gnome behavior or something. What am I thinking here? Or like a hob. So it's cracks in the walls. Is this game randomized? No. Yeah. It would be insane if it is, but there is a DLC coming out in the this month, so there will be more. Yeah, no spoilers if you want to play this. Yeah, I wouldn't watch. Okay, so we got cheese in the wall. I wonder. That's secretion. Ew. Are we getting political with cheese? Okay, wait, maybe we got like some kind of cellar thing going on here. Dripping, stretching. No. What would leave cheese behind? Not the cheese. Let's think. 4 roots. Mice? Maybe. But it's in the basement. Picky Mouse problem solved. Actually, it's a house fire. Fracture hobs, maybe? Maybe? Let's see. Let's do a fracture hob read about here. It doesn't really say anything about food though. The cheese is a very big giveaway for something. Hi, Yelva, welcome in. How are you? How you doing, gamer? They don't show up in the basement. Yeah, I don't think a mouse. Let's look at mice here. Gnaw marks, small droppings, and sound of squeaking. So they don't even damage walls. They don't even have wall damage for this. The cheese could be fed to them? By what? Oh, by what? Under fracture hob. Oh. Oh, is somebody trying to feed the hobs cheese? Honestly, I've been reading here. Oh, advise leave out slices of any kind of cheese. The cheese grommet. I've got to go back to work in a few hours. Ew, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope work is good though. You know, I hope the day is good. Cheese hob. The cheese touch. The cheese tax. The cheese tax. Let's put on the wireless grommet. Housefly. The Horde. I want to see the Horde show up, dude. Hello? Oh. It's Grub Rubber!
I need to place an order of 60 gallons of
Orange Fanta!
I got a big old party I'm setting up here at the
Fanta in my system. How goes the gaming? It's a lot of fun. It's very silly.
Too many mouths to feed, you know what I mean? And I need that orange drink to feed my brew.
Sid, when are we watching Night of the Were-Rabbit? Halloween for sure, dude. That's a Halloween movie for sure.
Pepper squeeze. Don't tell me you don't got the pepper squeeze.
Where my grommet wives at? Sir, I don't have that much Fanta. Damn! Horde, the Horde is an invisible, orderless collective consciousness that is known to collect and store large quantities of household refuse. The Horde tends to eat vast quantities of trash from the home and make them spread out.
Goodness me, grommet. The wireless has a child inside it. A reference to the lady from earlier.
Why does it sound like that? Pepper squeeze.
Hey, so my doctor told me I should call this number.
Hi, Phil.
I have no idea why. He won't tell me anything. He said you could help, so here goes nothing.
House fire. House fire, buddy.
So I've recently been having just the worst headaches, and just barely I woke up and felt my eyes were starting to look kind of pink. I'm really freaked out right now.
Pink eye!
I'm not sure what I have. I can't find anything online.
I think this...
Can you help me?
So, headaches, really bad headaches, and pink eye. My man, you might have carbon monoxide. Fuck! I don't know. Someone farted on his eyes. I want to say carbon monoxide, but I don't know what the, a sickness thing? The bees. Shit. Because, like, it could be, like, Fey flu, but I don't know. I don't know. My network is fucking gone. Is it wood secretion? Maybe he ate it? Nothing gets so recently had, worse headaches. And he's got pink eye. It's bees, if I recall. I don't remember what wood secretion did. Shit. Because, like, well, anything that's rather supernatural this day so far. Not really. This sounds just like a thing that's happening. Because I glimpsed the time about wood secretion doing something like that. Did you? Shit. All I remember is this one is, it's fatal. Fuck, dude. I think it's House MD. It's never bees. He's gonna die. Well, maybe we could do wood secretion. I don't remember. My man Phil, I think you're cooked. We'll just try it. Just, I don't know. I really don't know anything that strictly had pink eye or headaches. And we're still cooked. We're still cooked as we speak! Well, hopefully something's a little easier. Oh, you know what? House fire. Oh, damn it. Scott. Network error. Hello? Do you have something here? Puppy!
You gotta tell me what's going on inside my home, okay? I'm freaking out over here. There's holes all over my freaking house, man. Freaking holes!
It's the unicorn.
I'm stepping around big wooden splinters. There's no telling how much damage there is. I've got this big gaping one in my kitchen that I have no idea how freaking deep it goes. To top it all off, my skittish little greyhound goblin is nowhere to be found.
I'm freaking out, man!
Seeing this mess. I need help. Bad.
His dog's name is Goblin. That's Goblin these nuts. This guy has the unicorn fungus. Yeah, here. They often affect the animal's disposition, causing them to drawn to the soil. However, homeowners often report their pets fiercely digging around or inside the home. Also, hold on. Let me read this. Rapidly transfers flesh from these animals. Wood secretions are pink. So honestly, it could have been this for that last guy. But I don't know. It doesn't really say anything about headaches or pink eye. Anyway, this guy's got, his dog's got unicorn fungus. Goblin is a good name for a dog. It's really cute. Have you seen the sketch of the whole? I don't think I have, Yelva. What is that? Your dog's got unicorn fungus, brother. For Phil, I'm guessing. Oh, wait, yeah. What did Fey Flu say? Let's see. I think Phil is fucking dead anyway. Let's see. Fever. Oh, it was Fey Flu. Shit. Headaches, eye discoloration. Yeah. Fuck! Oh well, it was either that or the other one. Because yeah, this one said pink. The wood secretion said pink. Hi, Jackie.
Alright, I'm gonna need someone to explain what in the name of Christmas is happening to my living room.
Girl, don't cuss.
I'm back from vacation.
Living
and the
room?
house is already turning into a disaster not 24 hours later. And my living room is absolutely covered in soil and plants. Looks like a gosh darn nursery in there.
I haven't, Hero.
What is happening? Is this what happens when you buy a bad rug or something?
So, her living room is getting destroyed. Covered in... So my living room is absolutely covered in soil and plants, and it looks like a goddamn
Please
nursery.
hold.
It's so silly. Well, maybe we'll see that next time. I'm having... Let's see. Is it... This creature's 200 feet. They just chase down prey owners with missing plants or children. So it's not this guy. False roots. Gnome? Is it a gnome? Oh, here we go. Tree-like brown roots that are known to grow upwards from the floor to wrap themselves around various objects or humans in their vicinity. It could be... Prince has like the whiteboard out. He's like, is it the feast? The feast? This thing? Oh, you're right, because she came back from vacation. Okay, hold on. No, this is just like a giant pile of slop. Travel gnome. No, this is more for luggage. Highly invasive species known that are known for stowaway inside luggage. So I think gravel. Fuck yeah, let's go. Yummy, crunchy. No, read the danger. The danger though. Oh shit, sorry. Gardens inside their new homes. Nails! Nails! Sorry. Oh, yeah. Create expansive gardens inside their new home. So, Girly got a gnome? Yes. Sorry. I love drinking coconut. Yummy! The floor roots remind me of a scene from... You're so right. We need to watch. God, we keep talking about movies we have to watch. We keep talking about movies. Jumanji, the OG Jumanji is so... Oh, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. Maybe I'll get a game over next stream we do this, and I'll just report house fire like crazy. I just came back from vacation, and my living room's a mess. Girl, that's a house fire. You know that movie I really want to see, Baby Driver? I haven't seen Baby Driver either, and I heard it's fucking amazing. Robin Williams, I love you. Anna Music 1 and 2, haven't heard of that. Spam raccoons! Larry.
There's something in my basement.
Oh.
I don't know what it is.
Cellar moment?
All I know is when I open my basement door, it smells like a damn sewer, and I can hear it making all kinds of horrible noises.
Ew.
It sounds like there might be a lot of water down there, too. I don't know what it might be doing down there, but I have a feeling it's causing a whole lot of damage.
Yeah.
Please, send somebody to help.
That's a cellar something.
I can't deal with something like this.
Robin Williams is so good. That's a cellar something. That is... It might be a growth or a grotto. Grotto, large cave-like networks known to sometimes appear spontaneously in cellars and basements. Homeowners with cellar grottos will often report bad smell coming from the basement, high humidity, and noticeable increased large beetles, frogs, and pests. Reduce numbers of dangerous pets in the home height and humidity. Because floorboards, weakened foundation. Cut. Grotto. I have an Anna Music! No! Or growth. I'm pretty sure because of the water sense. Glowing. Yeah, there's nothing of glowing. Hi, Fanbot! Welcome in! No, it's house fire. My bad. Huh? It's grotto, right? It has to be. Listen. Listen closely. And he said, smells bad, lots of water. Stop hating me! Okay, I'm gonna do grotto because this man... It's the fact that it randomly, spontaneously showed up. That's my... There's me when I'm hungry. Me when I am hungry. Okay. Good luck with your spontaneous cave, sir. Good luck. Alright, how much more we got? We got quite a bit still. Oh, never mind. Damn it! We missed one. Oh, right. That was the one with the guy in the face. Okay, never mind. We're good. Clocking out of work, besties. It's gonna be bingo time soon. Bingo time! I'm so excited! Okay. Let's, I think we'll leave everything else for next stream. Yeah. Oh, we don't even have a video. Okay, that's fine. She clock on my outdoor. What? Yeah. All right, guys. I think we're going to have a break moment and we're going to get ready for bingo. I'm so excited. So, if you guys don't know, I reworked bingo, so we have a bunch of new stuff added to the list. Bingo is the name-o. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O, and bingo was his name-o. Yes, so we have a bunch of new stuff. So, we're going to wrap on Home Safety Hotline. This has been a really fun, cool game. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Me too. We're going to be playing it next week. I think we'll finish it next week. Very excited. What the fuck is that? Do you see this? Who's that? Who is that? Who is she?
Huh?
There's a lady here. If you haven't heard of Anna Music, then you're in for a wild ride. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah! I watched one of my other favorite streamers put... Sorry, this is Velcro. That's oomph. Shut up! That's oomph. One of the other bigger streamers that I watched played this, and I'm like, this looks funny as hell. There's somebody there. Anyway. Anna, why? I've never heard of Anna Music. Am I dumb? Maybe I just haven't, like, maybe I haven't put a name to face. Okay, let me check. Let me check that before we get on a break here, because I'm going to set up bingo. Alright, let's see. Is that a ghost lady? I think it is. Alright, I'm going to ping the Discord again as well. Last little Discord plug here. And I'm going to ping the bingo card for y'all. Brand new bingo card. There it is. There it is, besties. I'm going to pin that. Actually, no. I'm not going to pin that specifically, but we're going to set up bingo. Yeah, it's going to get set up, so get ready. Bingo card here. There we go. We're going to pin that instead. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, we're going to get set up, but first I need to see what Anna Music is. I haven't seen this. Oh, these things? Wait, these are movies? Oh, someone or something. Yeah. Yeah, we have some good new prompts. Dun, 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 dun. All right, one sec. And then I'm going to do another break here coming up. Cool. All right, guys, I'm going to set up bingo. I'm going to ping it in the Discord. We're going to get set up. So, I will give you guys a few minutes. We might catch an ad in the middle of nukes, which is okay. We might just take a break from that. But yeah, I'm going to set up. What kind of music should I leave you guys with? Let's do... Hi, Socrates! Welcome in! There's Michael P. Let me... Oh, I know what music I can put on. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to set up bingo. But stick around. It's bingo time, baby. Good morning, chat. Hi, Blanc, welcome back. It's bingo time. So, oh my god, who just got the fucking fetus? HN did. Ew! Ew. Crazy. Oh! Hey! Loon! Hi, Loon! Alright, guys, I'm ready for bingo time. So, throw it back. Throw it back! Good morning. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna switch to PNG, I think, just for a little bit. Just for a little while to take a break from that. Welcome in, it's time for Nuke's Bingo. So, I need you guys to know— Ow! Hey, I'm not even there yet, please! I'm not even on the screen. So I need you guys to remember that this is a vintage Nukes video. So it's— which one did I pick?
Shark.
It's 2 years old! Hi, Riley. What am I thinking? Fuck yeah. Yeah, hey! Hey! Blanc!
I can't really bite it.
Oh my god! Thank you for the gifted sub to Tim Horton. Keeping my man sub. My man, Tim Horton. Just the one. Just the one. Thank you, Blanc, for the gifted sub. Yes, I have the PNG tuber tuna made for me. In the Ratatouille style. It's so cute. I love it. I might switch to one of my other ones for a little bit. But in case you didn't see this one yet, here it is. Alright, let's just go to this one. Good old shark farted. Alright. Been busy in the background. Finally free. You're just in time for bingo. I'm so excited. Alright, if you don't have your bingo card, it is pinned. But in case you missed it, here it is. We have new prompts. Like I added like maybe 10. I added like 10 stuff. I removed some things. I reworked it. You know, I balanced it out. So this one's 2 years old. It is a top 10. I like to do top 10s because I believe it gives us more space for more video stuff. So yeah, get your bingo card if you want to participate. I will go through the prompts with, you know, when anybody asks, and I will be the one calling bingos, so please don't suggest things that might be on the bingo card. I will do the calls. I will be making all the calls, and that's just how it is. All right, so I have picked out a vintage Nuke video from 2 years ago called, you can't really see it, it's called Top 10 Ghost Videos to Scare You Silly. Hey, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How you doing? Welcome in. I'm so excited. Fish!
This is by far.
Hi, how you doing? Drama?
This is my favorite part.
You know what that means? Fish! Me when I get scared silly. To scare you silly.
This is the best part.
I thought this would be a perfect video because of the deep end. Nice. You know, you guys are really silly. So, alright, here we go. Y'all ready? You call me, Tricia, pronounced Trisha. Oh, okay. I can do that, Trisha. I got you. Welcome in. Welcome in. How you doing? You guys ready? All right. Let's see. The volume should be okay. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're chatting now. There we go. Perfect. Now we're good. Blood Run Cold should be a free space. Funny enough, he does not say that in all videos. I was thinking of making the Did You See It a free space, but I was like, I figured I'd give you guys more bingo slots because I had to balance it, you know? I felt like not enough people were getting bingo. Besides last week. Last week had a fuck ton of people getting bingo. All right, let's do a quick quality check and we're off to the races. Let's go! Woo!
Top 10 ghosts caught on camera.
Oh!
Desecrated. Japanese paranormal YouTube channel Fourth Wall has been sent several videos taken at the same cemetery somewhere in Japan. The graveyard is said to be haunted by the tragic—
Wait, are we about to get 2 prompts in one? Hold on.
Of a little boy who drowned in a pond 30 years ago. His parents laid him to rest in the cemetery and commissioned a beautiful statue of their son to be placed at his gravesite to honor and remember him. Late one night, heartless vandals desecrated the grave, destroying the statue.
What? I'm waiting to see what the actual video is. The story has nothing to do with our bingo prompts. Remember that. It's just what the video is. So just wait. Wait, are we done? Yes, we are. I'm sorry, Trish. We finished on day we finished on the Thursday of the game, and I'm gonna leave the rest of it for next week. I'm sorry if you came for HSH, I'm sorry, but I will upload this VOD for YouTube. But I'm sorry, yeah, we just finished with it. We didn't finish the game yet, but we're gonna be finishing it next week. Yeah, don't worry, guys. The story has nothing to do with the bingos, but I believe this is gonna take place in a Japanese graveyard, so hold on. Hold your horses.
And stealing its head.
What?
Since then, local legend says that the headless spirit of the child roams the graveyard, forever looking for his missing head.
Oh my god.
In September of 2015, a CCTV camera at the cemetery records this shocking footage.
Okay, first of all, we're still getting bingos. First of all, yes, graveyard is a new prompt, so if you have graveyard on your bingo card, mark that off. And we also have CCTV footage. Crazy! CCTV. And probably Japanese, but we'll see where it goes. Kingdom Hearts, fill me with the power of darkness. So no head? Stop. What do we get here? This is creepy. This is a huge graveyard. Holy. Red circle. Guys, someone could get bingo in this very video. You love Kingdom Hearts? Listen, I'm going to disappoint you and say I don't think I've ever played a Kingdom Hearts game, but I have watched a lot of my friends play it. If you have red circle on your bingo card, mark that off too. I thought that was Nuke saying what happened in the video was going on, the guy stealing the head. Yeah. Please play them. I'll think about it. I got to get recommended some good ones. Maybe I'll actually look into it. Maybe. Did he say something truly disturbing? I don't think he did. Hold on. Let me go back.
In September of 2015, a CCTV camera at the cemetery records this shocking footage.
Shocking footage. No, he didn't say that. He said shocking footage. WD-40, bottoms up. Let's get it. What's happening here? It's like person. Okay. Could be a shadow person. You can barely tell though.
In the dead of night, a shadow-like figure can be seen walking along the graves. After word of this disturbingly creepy video spread, a Japanese ghost hunter decided to investigate.
Okay, we get more. Yeah, that is shadow person. Wow, this video is packed full. Okay, we're doing shadow person. Listen up, we're doing shadow person, and we're also marking off an ad break. Okay, we have an ad break. I don't want to get up again because we just took an ad, so we will just sit for a hot minute and let the ad roll through. We'll let the ad roll through. Don't worry, everybody. Don't worry, we're chilling. I'm not going to play the video. I will play some music, though, while we wait. I'll play some select tunes of music. Don't worry. I love my chatters. I will not let you guys miss anything. It's okay, we're chilling. We're chilling. Okay, yeah, I'll go over what we've gotten so far. Gets an ad added. I try to schedule these around ads, so that wouldn't really happen. Okay, so far, within a minute 30 of this video, you guys, we have Shadow Person, Graveyard, Red Circle, Japanese Ghost Video, CCTV footage. Got it. Oh no, Oliver got taken away from us. No! I love the little September guy. I love him. We'll do a battle royale. We'll do a little battle royale since nobody's gotten bingo yet. Already time for me to head out. Good night, Conan. Thank you for chilling. Also, thank you for that raid earlier. I appreciate it. You have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. I jinxed it? What do you mean? My OBS is telling me that ads are happening right now. Yo, Dimitri Sue, welcome in. I really enjoyed this. Oh, I appreciate that so much. I appreciate that. So how low quality is the camera? It's gotta be like shit. Like it's gotta be so shit to a point where I'm like, I can't see what's happening. That's what it's gonna be. But there's somebody censored here. I think there was someone in my chat. Ate! Is there a mod in chat that can shout Ate out? I love honey! I love honey! Have a good night, bestie. So the odds of me finding jokes, huh? One in a Carillion. Oh yeah. Welcome in. I hope you're good. Ad break already paid. Yeah, we're sitting through the ads. We're sitting through them. Pretty sure Honey is against TOS. Huh? What do you mean? Oh, you're doing some chores? Wait. Yelva, what do you mean? When I see /S, is that /silly? What are you talking about? Because Sirius is SRS, right? Transformer ad? Yo, let's fucking go. Hi, ad breakers. We were not going anywhere. We were waiting for the ads to be done. Why? It did work the first time. I swear I saw Honey's picture. Did it not? I did. You guys did it like 3 times. Because you Get out! Oh, hello? Patty! Welcome in! Do they not exist in Canada? They sell adult stuff. What do you mean? Sarcasm. Oh, my bad. Honey. I don't know what Honey is. All I know is Honey. There's like a web program called Honey. I'm sorry. /sarcasm. Oh. What was the one after Shadow Person? We did Japanese ghost video. Alright, we're all back. We're all back from ads. We're chilling. Shut up. Don't mention Honey. Yeah, I'm not. Don't download Honey. But do follow Honey. Do follow Ate Honey Maru. Yes, sir. I am in pain. Hi, Patty. How are you? Hi, gamer. All right. Are we good to get back to it? I'm going to say yes. Here we go.
The cemetery for himself. It did not go well.
It didn't go well? I'm Goob. I thought you were Patty. Yippee! Nearly free. Whoa, what was that? That looked like a little creature, like a goblin. Freedom! Welcome in. Welcome back, you guys. Nothing happened. Nothing really happened. Hi, guys. Ghost baby. The ghost baby's following them. That's... I don't believe that. All that was the same shape.
The ghost hunter hears something and turns to see an odd white apparition, but he whips back around.
They all look the same. Mango! Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How you doing? How you doing? Hello. I hope you're okay. I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. I hope you're doing good too. Welcome in.
And nothing there.
Nothing there.
He seems to think he imagined it, but when he turns toward the other end of
what is Nuke makes a title pun? That's when Nuke titles each video he reviews, and sometimes he'll make a pun out of it, of like a movie title or something, or like a meme. It'll be obvious if it is, but sometimes he'll title his videos that he's reviewing to be like a pun.
The cemetery row. The apparition is now right in front of him. In abject terror, he makes a run for it.
Thank you! I'm glad you
So
did
could
good.
it be that
Welcome
these
in.
strange figures are the spirit of the little boy?
I don't know, man.
Forever wandering
It looks
the
like
cemetery?
a camera blur.
Let me know what you think.
Looks like a smudge.
You can watch this full video and many more spooky Japanese ghost videos over on the YouTube channel, Fourth Wall.
A shrimple problem.
Croatian Creeper.
Shaky cameraman? No, that's if the whole video is like just shaking. If he's running away, that's pretty normal, I would say.
YouTuber Dennis Domian sets out to explore the Brebir Cemetery in his hometown of Brebir,
Another
Croatia,
cemetery?
for his, quote,
Wait, what?
Wall. Any more spooky
on.
Japanese ghost videos over on the YouTube channel, Fourth Wall. Croatian Creeper.
Creeper!
Popular YouTuber Dennis Domian sets out to explore the Brebir Cemetery in his hometown of Brebir, Croatia for his quote, scary bedtime stories video series.
Scary bedtime.
He says that throughout his childhood, the cemetery has always given him the...
Oh, sec, we got way more than 3. I'll go over the first video in case anyone was stuck in ads. We got Shadow Person, Japanese ghost video, Graveyard, Red Circle, and CCTV footage. So that's 5. That's a whole bingo, if anyone got it.
Creeps, and even now he feels uncomfortable just being there. In the dead of night, he gives a video tour through the graveyard when suddenly he records something that's just
what the fuck? No, HN, you can clip it. Shadow person, graveyard, Japanese ghosts, CCTV footage, and red circle. Damn, girl! I was only missing one. Holy shit, Cal.
Okay, lagano ide mir imam feeling.
Well, you're in a graveyard, buddy. Of course you're not feeling alone. Fuck you too. Wait, did something happen? I missed that. I don't know. It was blurry. Hello?
Did you see it?
Ah! See, what am I saying? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Did you see it? If you have that on your bingo card, mark that off. Did you see it, chat?
I wonder some strange distorted.
Ew, that looks like the purple man. That looks like the purple guy. Why are you looking at my hands? There's nothing to see there. That looks like the purple guy walking down the street from Five Nights at Freddy's. You know that clip where he's walking down the street and then he vomits and then falls into the sewer? Or something like that. That's what that looks like. Orpal guy! Regular, it's a tiny giraffe.
Figure can be seen standing amongst the graves.
Michael!
When Dennis turns back.
Michael!
It's gone.
Michael, don't leave me here.
Throughout the video, it can be seen that the small cemetery is completely empty, and Dennis swears he was all alone. So just who or what is this strange, distorted thing?
It's Michael.
The ghost of the mosh pit.
Ghost of the mosh pit.
Now, most of the time we think of creepy paranormal video as occurring in the dark, and maybe in creepy old abandoned places.
That was a posture
but here's a video that's from a live daytime heavy metal music festival in San Bernardino, California in 2011. And just watch very closely, because it's about to get weird.
It's about to get weird. It's about to get silly. What am I looking for? Mosh pit ghost? No one's moshing. Someone's vaping though. Okay. I don't know if anyone has seen moshers though. They're fucking crazy.
So a very big guy goes charging into the mosh pit when suddenly he seems to get clotheslined by someone or something that is completely invisible.
I think he's just on drugs.
And he goes flying backwards. Now, that would be weird enough, but his friend helps him up and then he seems to get forcefully yanked backwards again by some unseen force. He even seems to
Did he say someone or something? Let me go back. I think he did. Hold on. We missed a prompt. Gravity, my friend. Gravity.
So a very big guy goes charging into the mosh pit when suddenly he seems to get clotheslined by someone or something.
Someone or something. Yep, we did get it. That's a new one. If you have someone or something on your bingo card, mark that off. And I wouldn't call this shaky cameraman because it's a concert, so I think everything is shaking around them. Nah. Shake like their jeans or something. Wait, with this, I don't know, because normally that's a prompt where Nuke would say that, so I don't know. So I can't call that.
Completely invisible, and he goes flying backwards. Now, that would be weird enough, but his friend helps him up, and then he seems to get forcefully yanked backwards again by some unseen force.
I think that looks like he just launched himself backwards. I don't know, man. I think he's just being a little silly.
Seems to get dragged backwards along the ground.
He doesn't get dragged.
Is this just the ghost of an angry metal fan? Is this guy just an incredible mime? Or what happened?
I think it's a lot. Oh. No! I should add Cerveza Crystal to the bingo card. That's what I should do. I'm just gonna say, I think this video looks a lot more dramatic than it is because the cameraman is like jumping around and everything's moving fast around him. So this guy could just be going through it. I ain't gonna call much besides the something or something because that was quite literally said.
You tell me.
Whoa! Thank you for the stretch. Oh, the water. Thank you.
Caught on camera. Instagram user Satanic
Mother, it could not
Tacos.
have been a ghost. Cause casualties in mosh pits are natural selection victims. Unable to handle the power of rock and roll, they shed their physical forms to become one with the hype.
Yeah, exactly.
AKA Heather, says she is skeptical of all things paranormal.
Heather!
And doesn't believe in the afterlife or ghosts. But late one night, her 1-year-old son wakes up very upset and doesn't stop crying for over 2 hours.
No, baby.
Bizarrely, the motion detectors on the CCTV cameras around Heather's house were going off too. She checked her recorded CCTV footage, and to her shock, just after her child starts crying,
We might get something
one
here.
of the cameras outside catches something downright creepy.
Downright creepy? I don't think we have that one. This, oh no, this is, I thought this would be phone recording of a screen, but it's
A
not.
strange translucent
Oh!
seems
But we got red arrow. Yes! Yes! All right, red arrow. If you got that on your bingo card, there's no way your user is Satanic Tacos and you don't believe in something. Yep. How, had to do something, after, anything new after, yes, we had a couple. We have something, someone or something. We have, did you see it? We have red arrow just now. And then I think that's it. From, like, since the last one.
to appear right out of the wall of the lower deck and can be seen walking through the snow away from the house. Heather says she has no idea what this could be and is a little freaked out about the timing with her son's crying. Now, as for myself, usually I would just say that this is a compression error in the camera and that it's blurring a person who is walking in darkness.
Kinda looks like it.
But everything else here in the video is perfectly clear and the footage is well lit. So,
I mean,
I'm a bit confused myself.
Okay, Nuke, calm
If you see
down.
a video that you think would be perfect for the top 5, or if you have a ghost hunting channel and you caught something great, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com.
I want to meet
The
Nuke.
girl on the road.
Girl on the road. Oh, we
Now,
might
this
get
next
some here.
creepy video was sent in by a very nice Nuke's Top 5 viewer, but it's an old clip and the source is unknown.
Unknown source? Unknown source? No source? All right, if you have video has no source on your bingo card, mark that off. Where is that on my list here? Video has no source. Thank you, Karnan. I really wish I had a tracker in chat, but I don't think I know anything that does that. Where's my video? I'm trying to find it. And no source. Dude, Nuke's been running out of my content. Well, this video is also from 2 years old. I feel like he just asks every video because, like, I feel like he has a fuck ton. Hi, Axelatus, welcome in. I feel like he has so many videos, but it might be hard to sift through real ones, you know what I mean? I feel like he has a tough job. He needs an agent. Somebody get Nuke an agent stat. All right, where's my no source? I can't find it. Am I dumb? Oh, there it is. Found it. But Mom, I can't have no's with no source. What do we have on the bingo card? Yeah, I'll do a quick recap. We have video has no source, CCTV footage, red arrow, red circle, graveyard, Japanese ghost video, something or someone or someone or something. Did you see it? And shadow person.
The video is believed to have been recorded in the West Java
Frozen
area of
Twix?
Indonesia.
Yes, I
and
do.
it shows 2 men encountering something horrifying
Yes, I do.
on the road.
Okay, so this is gonna be a new one actually. Highway or driving footage. If you have that on your bingo card, mark that off. That's a new one. Ghost lady from this one, Nuke handing them out today. I know. This is a good old video. What are they looking at? I don't see it. What am I trying to see here? Why are you, what? Oh, hello. What the fuck is that? What in the Halloween prompt?
The 2 men pray continuously as
Whoa!
they encounter what looks to be an extremely pale figure of a little girl.
Wait.
Girl. Even more terrifying, as they get closer, the figure seems to float up
She
into
was
the
a
night
fairy.
sky above.
She was a fairy, chat. She was a fairy. I don't even know what to call this. Ghost lady? No, it says it's a child. She was a fairy.
Them. Now, because I don't know the actual source of this video, it's impossible to check its legitimacy in any way. But real or not, it's definitely very creepy. And it certainly shocked me when I first watched it. I was not expecting the
That's a
fly.
night fake. Call it in. Call it in.
Cry.
I besides road footage, I don't know what I would call that at all. Because it's not really bad editing if it's not editing. It just looks like a prop. I'm just gonna leave it. That's so funny. Did he laugh? Did he start laughing?
It's definitely very creepy. And it certainly shocked me when I first watched it. I was not expecting the flying.
I don't think so. He's just narrating.
Crying in the dark.
Crying in the dark. Me
Paranormal
on... Never
investigators
mind.
Jordan and Johnny from the YouTube channel Paranormies set out to investigate an old house in Manitoba, Canada that's believed to be haunted. The story goes that in the 1960s...
Freaky little child? No, because I don't think that was a child. I think that was a Halloween ghost on a string. Child around it'll do quirky at night. The way it just fucking lifted from its feet was so funny. I gotta rub my eyes. Oh my god. Alright, let's keep going.
A woman named Rachel discovered that her husband of only 2 months had run off with another woman. It is said that neighbors heard Rachel sobbing
Swearing in the video?
uncontrollably.
Swearing is in the video. So if somebody is like mad swearing and it has to get censored, that's in the video. Oh, did you get a raid? I have not gotten a raid yet in this video. Hi Kai, welcome in. Ugh. It was so stiff. Yeah, it just like rised up from its head. It was like pulled up. Sticky keys. Oh, no worries. Welcome in.
Shortly before taking her own life. Cut to current day. It is said that in the house, lights turn on and off by themselves.
Oh, did
Strange
it?
written notes have been left behind.
I didn't even see. Oh, thank you, Riley. Did he say oh shit? Oh. I'll leave it for now. If we don't get any more, then yeah, we can call it.
And loud, disembodied sobbing has been heard coming from the basement.
Whoa.
Not long after the Paranormies start their overnight investigation, the guys decide to head down into the gloomy basement. That's when investigator Johnny hears and captures something downright.
As I was gonna say, how often do you do these spooky watching streams? Every Sunday. Every Sunday is the Spooky Sunday on my channel. So we normally do, we normally watch a new Nuke's video, so if Nuke uploads, and then we'll watch the new one, but he hasn't been on the best upload schedule, so we're watching just some old ones that we haven't watched before. The Lord's Day, fuck yeah! Exactly!
Chilling.
What? Anyway, sobbing. Good subtitle.
Who's that? You heard something?
I don't know, what would you even call that sobbing? Did he say downright chilling?
Yeah, it's. Yeah, it sounded like a kid's
I don't have
voice.
downright chilling on the bingo card. I have something truly disturbing on Blood Run Gold.
What did it say earlier? Did it say child? Yeah, it did say It child. sounded like a kid's voice coming from
She
down
was a
here.
fairy.
I don't know if I want to turn these lights off. I was going to turn them off.
Johnny is shocked when he hears the sound of sobbing coming from somewhere down in the basement. The guys now believe that the spirit of Rachel might be with them. Meanwhile, earlier in the investigation, the Paranormies set up 3 separate motion-activated REM pod devices on the main floor of the house. As they're investigating down in the basement, they
I know, I should
hear
honestly add that.
truly bizarre.
I should honestly add that. If you want more spooky recommendations, there's Chilling Scares, who's been making very good stuff. Oh, really? Like, kind of like this? Honestly, we could probably branch off. I just call my shit Nuke's Top 5 Bingo Night. But, I mean, we could just call it, like, Spooky Bingo. But normally one Nuke video is good enough for, like, the end of the night, because what we do on Sundays is we play a spooky game, and then after we're done that for a little bit, we do the rest of the stream, like, a bingo night kind of deal. Yeah. He said it again. This dude.
You heard that.
Footsteps?
Footsteps
Wait.
upstairs. I heard it.
Do you hear it? That's gonna be a bingo prompt. I don't really hear them though.
REM pod. And then another one.
I'll call that. Footsteps if you have it. Replay! Oh yeah, totally. Some shuffling. Ew. Wait, Did they do that?
The investigators hear footsteps right above them, and a static camera records as 2 motion-activated REM pod devices are triggered by something moving around on the main floor. And the light turns on and off on its own. Jordan and Johnny decide to set up a laser grid and point it towards the kitchen and living room on the main floor,
That one's like
right
the
beside the
hardest one.
basement stairs. As they are discussing just what might be going on in the house, they capture something very disturbing.
Very disturbing.
Even when I said, like, hey, it did RAC, am I okay? Like,
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
The
Like,
camping
I need
ones?
you to-
I love that. I love that shit.
What?
Light 'em on.
Shut up.
Did they get one? Oh, hold on. I gotta see that again. Does that count for what? Them swearing? Maybe.
T1. What? RAC, am I okay? Like, thank you. Like, I don't need you to. T1. What?
Ew, that looked like a shadow. Hold on.
Even when I said, like, hey, it did RAC, am I okay? Like, thank you.
Something
Like,
truly disturbing? No, it has to be the words "something truly disturbing." He does say it. I put phrases on there that we've heard him say all the time, so it has to be to the dot.
I don't need you to.
Lights turned on and off by its own. Do we have that? Light anomaly is like a light orb. That's what that is. Unidentified fucking thing.
T1. What? Shut up.
Sorry, hero.
What did you see earlier?
A shadow.
I should honestly put light orb off
Right
too.
from here.
I'm still
this
adding to the
way?
bingo list,
Like
so we're
over
getting
this
some,
way or that way?
some good ideas.
Between the letters.
Even when I said, like, hey, it did RAC, am I okay? Like, thank you. Like, I don't need you to.
Thank you, Patty. Ew, that looked like a fucking demon on. Oh, that was gross. Did we get loud scream? No, not yet.
Did RAC, am I okay? Like,
That was
thank
Michael
you.
from
Like, I don't need
Faith.
you to. T1. Shut up.
Ghost tech.
An odd misshapen shadow figure darts across the ceiling in the living room.
I didn't like that.
right
That
in
was
front
gross.
Of Johnny.
That was yucky.
The 2 investigators rush over to check out the area, but find nothing and no one.
Gross.
So just what is this?
Oh, I
Did the
didn't. I don't
Paranormals
like the.
team
I
capture
don't
the-
like the shape of it. It looks like someone like full arms out, legs out, crawling across the ceiling really fast, like skittering like a giant. Yeah, like a giant spider. Ugh. Ew.
Distraught spirit of Rachel? Let me know what you think. You can watch this full investigation and many more spooky videos over on the YouTube channel, Paranormies.
I don't think I will.
Caught in the headlights.
Caught in the headlights.
Now,
Cow.
this next video is
A
not
deer?
in any way related to the paranormal. It's actually the official music video of a very popular Mexican rap group called Cartel de Santa.
Yeah, that's their name.
And it's been viewed
Yeah.
over 64 million times on YouTube. But many confused fans pointed out something very spooky that happens near the beginning of the music video. Pay very close attention.
Huh? It's. Oh. Is that like a goblin?
Did you see it? In front of the car, the headlights illuminate a bald grayish figure crouching in the bushes that suddenly stands up to look at the.
That's an alien. Also, that's that man's schnoz really close up. That's creepy. I don't think we have anything for that we already haven't called. Duende. That's creepy.
Couple before quickly disappearing.
Runs away.
Many fans believe that the rappers might have accidentally recorded something paranormal on camera.
Or it could just be somebody, you know, going home from work.
But of
What?
course this could.
What, Robin? What's up, gamer? Is spooky still? I don't think it is. I did remove a few things that were too, like, on the nose. Or, like, too basic. Trespassing? Me on a regular Tuesday. Video from someone who... Oh, you're right! You're right. This is going to be considered a video from someone who doesn't post paranormal content, because this is just a fucking music. This is a music page, but it's counting as haunted. So if you have video from someone who who never posts paranormal content, mark that off. Naked person in the night going for a... How do you know they're naked?
Could simply be a crew member that was accidentally caught in the video shot.
Because they could be wearing a
But
shirt.
if it's a crew member, that leads to many
crewmate?
questions.
Did you get bingo, Fenrir? Did you get bingo? Hey! We got some bingos up in here! And Oliver! Congrats, besties. All right, we got Fenrir and Oliver. You guys both got bingos. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let me grab you guys. Congratulations. We got Oliver. Oliver, I see you right away. Come here. Come here. Get over here. Oh, I dropped you. Okay. Make sure you stay in there. And we got Fenrir. Where you at? You're down here. You little rainbow. You little, no, come back. You're hiding. You're hiding. I got you. Congrats on the first 2 bingos of the night. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome stuff.
Like, why is he gray? Why is he crouching in the bushes? Why does it look like he's not wearing
It looks like a white shirt, does it not?
his shirt?
Oh.
And why does he move in such an odd and creepy way? Even after the many confused questions and comments, the group has never released a statement about who or what this could be.
They don't care.
So for now, the identity of this man, or whatever that is in the bushes, remains a mystery. Bewitched.
Bewitched!
Now, this next video is one of the strangest paranormal videos.
Sorry for asking this, but would Japanese Graveyard start video Canada's Why Are You Alone? No, I would count that mostly because, like, if he was in danger. Why are you alone kind of connects when, like, something fucked up starts happening and you're like, why are you even here? Or if they're in a dangerous situation, like an abandoned house that's, like, breaking down. Normal graveyard, I feel like people go to the graveyard alone a lot. It's just like a thing, at least for graveyards. Yeah, you know what I mean? If I'm being picky, but, like, you know, that's just kind of what I think.
I've ever seen.
What did you say?
Remains a mystery.
Roll that back. Roll it back.
Bewitched. Now, this next video is one of the strangest paranormal videos I've ever seen.
Oh, wow.
So TikTok user Luca from Nashville.
Tic-tac! Hey! If you've got...
What do you want? Leave me alone!
If you've got Tic-tac user on your bingo card, mark that off.
Tennessee is out delivering packages
Sorry,
one day when he
Noe.
suddenly spots something very bizarre in the skies
Cardin's
above.
got your back.
Hey, so out making deliveries, and what is this? There's a floating broom. Look,
I think I saw this video a while
it's
ago.
just floating. Like, seriously.
Bro! Where's Harry Potter? He left his fucking broom in the air.
There's no wire. There's nothing it's connected to. It's...
Someone Halloween prom.
What is
Hello? This is really funny. Rayquaza!
Seriously. It's just and it's moving too.
That's weird. I don't...
Now, I'm honestly not sure what to make of this video. This object that does look very much like a floating broom is obviously
We did not, Mango. Not yet.
not a kite or a balloon, and it doesn't appear to be suspended by wires or a drone.
The wires,
If
can you...
it's CGI,
Yeah, can you even tell from the difference?
then it would take a visual effects expert to track this effect in with such a shaky camera. Also, Luca has no other videos that contain any CGI or anything even remotely paranormal.
Oh, this would have been a good one
Luca
for the paranormal.
claims that the video is 100% real.
Okay,
By the
buddy.
way, it was a floating broom. I did not see any wires. There was no drone. I gave a pretty good view above and below it. Guys, I swear on my life, there was nothing above it or below it.
Someone's her vehicle.
It was a floating broom. I don't know if
Can you
somebody
move
was
your
doing a
vehicle from the
voodoo
road,
spell or if
please?
it was a floating broom. I've never
I wouldn't
seen
really call it
anything like
shaky. It's
I don't
because he
ever
zoomed
wanna
in
see
really
anything
fast.
like it again.
And, like, his whole video
It
was fine.
real. I don't do CGI. I don't know how to do that.
He
it
could be
was
lying.
A floating broom.
He could be
okay?
gaslighting.
I'm just as stumped as you
Yeah.
are. I happened to be the person that rolled up on it.
So I have no idea what this could be. Is it supernatural? Is it a quote glitch in the Matrix?
Shut up, noob.
Or is it just a very elaborate hoax? You decide.
I don't even know what to make of that.
Ghost Hunter
Followed.
Martin from the YouTube channel Martin's Junction sets out to explore the abandoned and allegedly haunted Napalm.
Yeah, like, why didn't he film it more? Like, why couldn't he film it from, like, directly below or something, you know? I don't know, man. You could have done more. Hoax it up. I had to tab out for a second. What'd I miss? Cryptid, where did you tab out? You know what? Let's just do a rundown real quick since the video's almost to a close. We got footsteps, shadow person, did you see it? Something, someone or something. Highway driving footage. Oh, Riley's got it on the ball. There are all your prompts right there. Thank you, Riley!
Holly house in the middle of the jungle in India.
Ooh.
The house is so secluded and hidden away that the only way to get to it is by crossing a slippery log over a river. Before he heads out, Martin sets up a static night vision camera at the log to record as he makes his way towards the house. Now, the house is empty, full of bats, lizards, and snakes.
Minecraft jungle
So
temple.
after a bad fall, Martin decides to head back home. But something might have followed him. As Martin attempts to cross back over the log, things take a terrifying turn.
Yeah, first, you know what? This is where I'm gonna count the why is he alone? Because he's in the middle of the jungle with fucking wild animals, and like, I don't know, if he falls off that log, he'll die. You know, bridge to Terabithia style. Why are you alone, my man? We're gonna count that. If you have why are you alone on your bingo card, mark that shit off, baby. I gotta find it on my bingo card. You had another bingo, Oliver? Let's go! Oh, he did fall. He did fall. What did I just say? Someone's gonna come execute him or something. Like, hello? What are you doing? What? The... Okay. Did he? Just an idea that might help with frequent prompts. Would it be there's a list that I got pinned? Maybe, but then the bingo card would have to get removed. Like, I have a list of all of the things highlighted when we get them. I just wish there was a way I could have the bot add prompts. I might have to set up a bot or like find a way and mix it up, which wouldn't be too hard, to be honest. So maybe we'll see. We'll see. Get 3 bingos to test your luck. Oh no. Oh no. What? What is it? I think we're good. We just got why are you alone? Yeah, of course, Loon. I appreciate the idea. Does that count as real or just not? Shut up! Oh, I forgot. Did he say the full thing? I forgot I put that on my bingo card. I'm sorry. No survival instinct? Maybe? He said that? Oh yeah, then mark that off. Sorry guys, I forgot I added that. I thought you guys were just being silly. Yeah, mark that off. We just marked off, is it real or just an elaborate hoax? Words. Is somebody behind him? Is that what's happening? I don't... Jackie does it? Oh, really? I'll have to see what they do then, because I use Mix It Up, and I think Jackie does too. Command call out list. And you can add it. I'm assuming you can probably edit it live with the prompts.
Something dark seems to be lurking in the jungle behind Martin, but every time he goes to checks the area behind him with his flashlight, whatever it is has disappeared.
It just zoops away.
The mysterious figure appears several times and disappears just as fast.
Ew.
So what do you think happened to Martin? Did he fall by accident? Or did some dark, vengeful spirit follow him back from the house?
Someone pushed him over.
Let me know.
Okay, I'll let you know, Luke. Luke?
The abandoned asylum.
The not-so-abandoned
paranormal investigator, Kaylee Love.
Anything new besides why are you alone? Nope, not yet. Not yet. Oh, okay. I might have to, I mean, I'm pretty well inept in Mix It Up, so I might have to just look into how that works. Yippee! Oh yeah, we also did mark off real or elaborate hoax. That's right. Would a general spooky bingo card be an idea? What do you mean general? Because this one is made specifically for Nuke Top 5.
Channel loves to investigate.
It would be hard. It would be hard to make up one just for other random videos. I mean, I'm sure other ones work too.
About a very creepy video she recorded in an old abandoned mental asylum in South Wales, UK. Kaylee says that she was alone with a fellow investigator, exploring one of the decaying asylum's many buildings.
I'm thinking about
Without knowing, she captures something absolutely...
Wait, so why are you alone? Isn't the dude almost cracking his head on the bridge? Wait, what do you mean bridge? We did do the one with the wood. Hospital? I'm thinking. If this was like more so a home though, we'll see. Hold on.
Chilling.
I think it would be considered a hospital. Hospital. Oh yeah. Okay, if you have hospital or what is that? Church? School? Video? School or hospital? Mark that off.
Smells like an hospital in this part, Dad.
Damn! She's insulting the area.
Did you see it?
Oh!
At the end of the hallway in front of Kaylee and her team member, someone appears to be standing there, just watching
Is that
her
the Grim Reaper?
before simply disappearing around the corner.
Oh, that's a squatter.
Kaylee says she didn't see anyone there
that
at the
has to be.
time. In fact, the odd figure was actually pointed out by viewers in her YouTube comments. So could this be the spirit of a patient who tragically passed away at the
Loon got bingo. Let's go! Congrats on your bingo. All right, we gotta get Loon up in here. Loon, where you at? There you are. I see you. I spot thee. I spot thee. Get over here. Get over here. I'm like digging through people. Where'd you go? You're a little slug. There we go. Hazmat? I know, that looked like someone in like a suit. Are we counting squatter or no? No, I'm not gonna count that just because it could be a shadow person. A lot of the times when the homeless or squatter person comes up, it's when they find the person and they're not like stalking them. Or like, you know how people go into abandoned like houses and then there's someone sleeping there? That type of shit. Internet died. What did we just get? Hospital or school? School or hospital? Yar. Yeah, like the closet guy.
Asylum? I leave it up to you to decide.
Leave it up to me?
That's pretty cool, that is.
I feel like she like purposely put the camera down, you know? Maybe she's like...
Smells like an offstud in this part, definitely.
Thanks so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram.
Nuke! Banger. This was an old video, remindee. This is an old Nuke video. That's gonna do it for today. Congrats on the bingo winners. I know some of you were pretty close. I need to still work the list a bit. This was the night with the new list. I gotta add a command thing just to save some time. Cute animal. I don't even think a cute animal showed up today, yeah. What did you need? I think we got that one, Spencer. You did get one! Yeah! Alright, well, I will add you into the bingo list. Just to, what's the word? Solidify that, so that you did get a bingo. There we go! Yeah! Did we get zero survival instinct? We did not. We did not, sadly. We did get Why Are You Alone? Alright, gamers, I am going to have to wrap up. I am very sleepy. I am hungry. I gotta go eat dinner. And that has been a long stream. Longer than I wanted to do, but here we are. But we vibing, we thriving. Alright, let's go find a raid target, shall we? And let's see what's poppin'. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. Stick around for the raid. You get extra channel points if you do. And I love raiding with you guys. You guys are really good raiders. I love seeing the chat fill up with silliness. Let us see who's live tonight. Bum, 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 bum. Quickly do this. Slay! Makes me sad. Ah, no worries, Kita. We'll be doing another one next week for sure. I think Nuke's bingo is like guaranteed now for Sunday nights. If not, then maybe we'll do a different spooky night. Something like that. All right, let's see who's live. Let's see who's gay. Hey! Hey, welcome in there with a follow. How you doing? How's you doing? How you chilling? Oh, I think Moon. Well, I think we might go raid Moon tonight. Moon's a fellow V for remember. Let me just see who else is live tonight. Oh my god, what the fuck is Jol doing? I love that guy. Yeah, maybe we'll go raid Moon. Moon! Moontakor is her name. Fellow V for remember, she's an artist. She's a very pretty, very good artist. I'm just gonna make sure that, like, I don't like raiding into people who have their follower only mode on. Let's see who's gay. Hey! Oh, I didn't think we've played in Sound Mind, have we? It doesn't sound familiar. If you wanted to suggest it, feel free. Dude, Moon is doing some sick art of a very familiar owl to some of you who may know him. Did Paya win? Slay. All right, we're gonna go raid Moontakor tonight. No, don't do another one. I'm ending. I guess that's fine. Join the Discord if you're not already in there. That's the best thing. That's the best place to know what I'm up to, what we're doing. We're gonna be doing a movie this upcoming week as well. And we have some, sorry, oh, that's okay. And we're gonna be doing some, what's the word? Some TV shows this week too. Newest schedule will be out tonight for a whole new week of things. I'm getting there! If you missed the VOD or wanted to see any other playthroughs that I'm doing, check out my YouTube. It's all on the card there. And that's about it. We're going to be going to raid Moon tonight, Moon Decor. She is a artist. She does a lot of art. And then she's going to be playing Minecraft later, it looks like. But she's still doing art right now. Moon is so cute. Her PNG gift tuber, gorgeous. Her design, gorgeous. Ow! I'm going. And she's really sweet. She's really sweet, and she's doing some really good art of a very, very specific owl. You guys might know him. Very specific 3D artist owl. All right, guys. I will see you guys on Tuesday. We're gonna be right back into getting into Voices of the Void again on Tuesday. Super excited for that. I'll see you guys for Alien Time on Tuesday. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Take care of others. And always remember, it is free to be a kind person. Never forget that. Let us do a basic raid message because we've never raided Moon before. So copy and paste that raid message if you like. Or use your own emotes. All is well. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys later. Please make sure you guys have a lovely night, okay? I'll see you guys later. And yeah, I hope you had fun. I sure did. Good night, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.